Hey guys, AJ here, back with another one for you. Guys, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. So we all know what time it is, guys. It's courtroom madness. That's what I'm talking about. Angel, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's up, buddy? What's new?
Court is in session.
Yeah. Hey, AJ. All right.
All right, I gotta find that as a sound clip. You guys know what I found? For all you guys who might be watching this afterwards, because I actually find that a lot of people do watch Courtroom Madness as a video. Like they actually watch the playback. Guys, we go live for Courtroom Madness every Tuesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this channel. So if you want to join, guys, feel free to join. Guys, look what Angel, look.
I had to get my
One more
blood
test, okay?
blood alcohol content and some more stupid shit. And I'm just trying to tell you that I have mental health issues.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Look
boy.
at that. And then the other one is
And I'm just trying to tell you that I have mental health issues. I'm extremely distraught.
Wow.
I feel like my
That
whole life is ending.
sounds like The Exorcist.
oh man, that has
Wow.
to be, I call that video the gift that keeps on giving, man. So
Oh, yeah.
So Razor Gamer, what's up, man? Good to see you here.
What up, Razor?
Guys, Courtroom Madness. I made this channel because during the cough, a lot of these courtroom the YouTubers started taking off, just like the body cam footage, and I would watch them all, but then I would notice these patterns of these guys, and they would go to Kinko's, get their Manila folder and go into paternity court, child support court, divorce court, and think that they're gonna get justice. And then you can see on their face as they give their whole case, and the judge looks at them and just dismisses everything that they said, and finally it dawns on them.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
For any one of you guys that honestly thinks that the courts gives two craps about your case, about your hardships, or any of that, guys, they don't care. They want that money. They want the money. And they're gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? Jameson, what's up, man?
If it please the court, I have my clipboard and my manila envelope that I purchased at Staples for $5.
In your red stapler?
Yes. I kept a swing line stapler.
Pyro. Are you serious? Dude, soldiers get it the worst. All military men get it the worst, right? And guys, we're gonna jump into this here in a minute. But guys, it's so bad that they do mandatory DNA testing in for military guys now. Because there's so many of these 304s who will try and pin a baby on a serviceman because they want those benefits. I know a girl whose ex-boyfriend, he was like in his 50s, and she's like 39. She would always get mad because he was still angry that he was married to his ex-wife for like 20 years, 15 years. She walked in on her cheating on him. Guys, he did his 20s. She gets half of his pension to this day. Half of his military pension she gets when she cheated on him, left him, and took him to the cleaners. I'd be pissed off too. You know what I'm saying? Well, he just needs to get over it. Imagine you get your veterans benefit statement every month, and you see that minus on there. Man, shoot. So, guys, here we have a couple cases, and guys, I want to just have a disclaimer. Shout out to all you guys that have served this kind of country. Both of my parents, my cousins, my sister are all veterans. So I respect all you guys who just have the balls to sign up and and fight for this country and our freedom. So, guys, you deserve all the respect in the world. You know what I mean? And yeah, but here we go, guys. Let's just jump in this because this is the first one where they decide to garnish this guy's VA statements. And you can already see, look at the look on this knucklehead's face on the bottom right. The clown world. Here we go.
I usually like this, Judge.
Non-taxable government benefit, a stipend.
I just feel like I've been attacked because while I had custody of my child, per this court's order, Your Honor, they took my license away and my livelihood, and I was a self-employed trucker at the time. I never got a letter saying that I became the defendant again instead of the plaintiff. Prior to losing my license, I had a commercial driver's license. I was a truck driver. I've been unable to obtain my CDL.
Look at that.
The court reinstated his driver's license and allowed Mr. Calhoun the opportunity to pursue employment driving trucks. Mr. Calhoun worked 4 hours and quit. Total arrears through the end of April are
$45,000. Yo.
But that's why they want him to go. That's why they're giving him his license so he could get back to work and stop paying off that money.
Yeah, but
why out?
But they're just gonna keep taking it away again, and that's when you get caught in this endless loop, guys. They want these guys to keep paying child. Okay, they want these guys to keep going in and out of court because then they owe child support. I mean, they go to jail, so they get a bed counted in the jail, so they get a budget money for the jail. Then some jails have these labor things where you make stuff like license plates and stuff, and then court fees. They get paid that too. You know what I'm saying? And there's like arrearage. There's interest tacked on the principal. So
and 83 cents.
You're going to be paying till the day you die. You're supposed to be able to finish your child support when you're a young, healthy man. You're going to work till you're 70 or 80 years old. And you probably never pay off your arrears.
This person does that where they put quotes from other cases on here. So yeah, this judge, he's a scumbag. Whoever this judge is.
I've suffered from the COVID-19 virus 3 times, and I've been hospitalized 1 time for a car accident since that's happened.
The thing is, oops, sorry.
I'm under a doctor's care. And
The thing is, he's saying this like they care, and that's the thing. This is why red pill is so important. Guys, why are you even here? Like Norman Calhoun, why are you even here, dude? Why? They don't care.
I also have an attorney, Barry out of Dearborn, Michigan, for my personal injury.
Is also informed in front of the court he has other income. He has other available resources. He receives a monthly VA check.
We're not able to garnish VA benefits, but it is used for purposes of determining income. So Mr. Porter would have to make payments on his own.
See, wait a minute. They're not able to get the VA benefits directly, but they can calculate that as income. So they're getting it either way. Did you guys notice that?
Yeah. So even if he's not working, they can get money. Yep.
Jessica's here. Pyro's here. Doug MPA is here. What's going on, guys? Good to see you.
I'm gonna pay. I like being free. I'm gonna pay you.
I could put together $250. That just mean I won't get my pain meds, but I can give you that. Whatever I get from this accident, I'm willing to sign it right over to y'all because I want to be free.
Mr. Calhoun is before the court this morning for a bench warrant hearing.
See, they got a warrant out for him.
Monthly obligation of $253.50. This is an arrears only case. His last payment was January 17th of 2023. That was $42.83 through an income withholding. This is Mr. Calhoun's 4th bench warrant hearing.
4th.
He's had 2 prior contempt findings. So just so the court is aware, on February 9th of 2022, Your Honor gave out a suspended jail sentence to Mr. Calhoun of 21 days with 0 days credit and a $500 purge.
Yo, this dude just needs to move to freaking Guatemala at this point or something. Straight up, dude. Go be a tour guide in Belize or something. You know what I'm saying? Where they can't get you. You know. And so Razor Gamer made a good point. Okay, someone once said that they don't put people in jail for debt anymore because they don't have debtors prison. Yes, we do. It's called child support court. Funny how that works, right?
Pending his compliance at the April 2022.
Maybe he'd be better off just living in a cave and be a hermit.
Yep.
Mr. Calhoun contacted friend of the court, resolved his warrant with a payment of $600. So he has a total shortfall of $2,578.77. Back at that time, back in 2022, Your Honor, you also ordered a rescission of his driver's license suspension so he could obtain and maintain employment. Mr. Calhoun's payments have been very sporadic since that time of receiving his license back. His total arrears through the end of April are $45,636.83.
45 G's.
Mr. Calhoun, do you dispute or contest any of the statements made by Ms. Brown?
I do not, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions for Ms. Brown?
No, sir, Your Honor. I do
Okay.
not.
What would you like to tell me, sir?
Well, Your Honor, I know you guys gave me my license back in order to become gainfully employed. I've tried to do so in the time that you guys have allotted me to have my license and all this time. Prior to losing my license, I had a commercial driver's license. I was a truck driver. I've been unable to obtain my CDL, and I have a learner's permit for it, and I'm scheduled to take a road test for it. I've tried to remain gainfully employed since you guys returned my license to me. I do have gainful employment now. I know it seems sporadic. I've suffered from the COVID-19 virus 3 times, and I've been hospitalized one time for a car accident since that's happened. And I know that has no bearing on what my obligation is to the court. So today, Your Honor, I'm just here to try to basically give you all my job information, with hopes that you guys don't lock me up, and to try to throw myself at the mercy of the court.
There it is, guys. This guy.
That's no good. That's no
So he's speaking to his phone, but what it comes out on the judge's speakers like wah 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 wah.
Exactly. Yep.
There it is.
Yeah, exactly.
Right there. The judge doesn't care. He wants that money. He wants his friggin' Aston Martin payment. He wants his country club payment. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? His kids' Stanford and Yale tuitions coming out of these dudes' checks, you know?
Okay. Where you say you're working now?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay.
At Woodworth in Homer.
Okay. Well, the last payment you had through income withholding was made in January of 2023. Why has there not been any payment since then if you have been working sporadically, as you stated?
Well, I had got sick twice this year with COVID-19.
You said 3 times.
The first time was the Omicron variant. I caught it at work in January of this year, and I was off. And I also had a car accident on February 27th, and my car was totaled and I was hurt. So I had to be off for maybe 2 weeks then. I've been looking for gainful employment. I've just secured a place to live in Albion, Michigan, and I've secured gainful employment here in Homer. I know it's been a big gap in between payments, Your Honor. And if given the opportunity, Your Honor, I try to fill those gaps in as best I can.
Where are you working at now, sir?
At Woodworth in Homer, Michigan.
Okay.
Woodworth.
And how much do you make on average per week?
Well, this is, I'm just starting here. So it's a $17 an hour job.
Okay.
I'm just starting.
Is it full time?
Yes, sir, it is.
When do you receive your first paycheck so that you could pay your support obligation?
First paycheck will be Friday the 26th, sir. I have a whole pay schedule right here in front of me. I don't know if you can see it. I'm highlighted at the bottom of it with the marks on it. Those are all my paydays.
Okay.
It has my shift supervisor's name and all that stuff on there too.
Okay.
His name's Wilkerson.
What I'm gonna do in this matter is,
Rogue, hey man. Okay, you don't know how right you are. You guys know how much the average monthly payment is for Section 8 housing is like $16 a month. Okay? And these knuckleheads still get evicted. There are people all in my neighborhood where you see their stuff parked on the front, you know, where they get evicted and put all their furniture on the front lawn. You know what I'm saying? Come on now.
again, you acquire that employment, the court is gonna take you at your word that you're gonna begin, again, paying and paying as ordered. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjourn this case to July 19, 2023, 8:00 a.m. And that gives you about 2 months to see what you're gonna do as far as making payments.
You better drive
If you make
Uber
payments,
Eats.
if you continue to make payments during that time, then at that point, the court will, adjourn the matter further. If you don't make any payments at that time, you should be prepared to go to jail. You understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay, so it's up to you, and hopefully when we get you back on that date, you'll have made your payments and we'll be able to, at that point, maybe we'd adjourn it out 6 months to see that you continue it. Because obviously it appears that you don't want to go to jail. We don't want you to go to jail. We just want
that's a lie.
payments to be made. So we will see you back. We'll see you back on the July 19th date.
He was before the court May 17th of this year, and the matter was adjourned till today to monitor his compliance. His last voluntary payment was January 17th of 2023. That was through an income withholding. That was for $42.83. This is the fourth bench warrant hearing, and he's had 2 prior contempt findings. For 2 months of compliance, Mr. Calhoun should have paid $507. He's paid nothing.
Dang.
His arrears through the end of June are $45,636.83.
$45,000, man. And yeah, this guy, he is a knucklehead for not paying anything at all. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, Razor Gamer, dude, I don't know if he got a DNA test, but he needs to. You know what I mean?
Should have had one a while ago.
Your Honor, the court.
Hey guys, please. What are the disclaimers that we have on this channel? All right, guys, the police are not your friends. Don't sign birth certificates. Don't sign birth certificates. Get a DNA test. And guys, don't answer to your name in public.
That's right.
The only reason why we go, are you Jameson? It's because you're getting served.
Mhm.
You gotta keep from doing that. Be like, just don't even say anything. Keep on walking.
Court would like, the friend of the court would like the court to kind of understand the history of this case over almost the last 2 years. He was before your honor on November 10th of 2021. At that time, the court reinstated his driver's license and allowed Mr. Calhoun the opportunity to pursue employment driving trucks. He had been a truck driver previously. So we reinstated the license, and then you adjourned the matter out until February 9th of 2022. At that time, you did find Mr. Calhoun in contempt because no payments had come in from that employer.
And just to kind of let you guys know, right? Guys, we are not excusing his behavior at all. This guy is a dumbass. You know what I'm saying? He should be paying. It seems like he doesn't realize how screwed he is. And this is an example to all you guys. Don't end up here. Don't be this guy right here, okay?
Yeah, I feel like the judge would be willing to work with him if he were paying something.
Yeah.
Just to pay nothing is ridiculous.
Not at all. And look at how worn down and broke down this guy is.
I mean, he can afford a suit there, it looks like.
You gave him a suspended.
We probably got that from the from the thrift store. I'm gonna rock sometime.
Sentence
I know
of
he's got a
21
matching
days
handkerchief that matches
with
his
0
tie.
days
I don't know.
credit and a $500 purge. Pending his compliance on the April 20th, 2022 hearing, which he failed to appear for, the bench warrant issued. He resolved it through front of the court and was before your honor on May 17th of 2023. At that time, he reported that his employer was Woodworth in Homer. It was through a temporary agency. Friend of the court contacted that temporary agency and learned that Mr. Calhoun worked 4 hours and quit. So his employment
He
has been
quit his
terminated.
job.
So now today he is before the court on July 19th. There has still been no voluntary payments made. He is no longer employed. And here we are today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Calhoun, do you dispute or contest any of the statements made by Ms. Brown?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Can I speak to the court or address the court? May I address the court, Your Honor?
Yep. My question was, do you contest or dispute any of her statements?
I don't dispute anything she's saying, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me what you want me to know, sir.
What else could you possibly be saying to the judge, right? Let's see what this knucklehead has to say.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. This same court in 2009 gave me custody of my daughter for this case. I never got a letter saying that I became the defendant again instead of the plaintiff. Per this court order from Judge Conrad Sent, or the Honorable Judge Conrad Sent, he gave me joint custody of my daughter. He ordered that this court ordered that I have my daughter in my care all the way until her 18th birthday, in which I did for the time she was 9 years old in 2009 from this court on the same very case. I don't know when I became the defendant again instead of the plaintiff, Your Honor. And in 2010 or 11, you guys took my license behind this same case. Your Honor, I just wanted to know if there was a way I can get an audit or a review for my case so we can see what happened or whether Judge Conrad Sent's order giving me custody of my child.
Gator Guts, you are right, man. Look at that. He says, how much you want to bet this guy's already got another girlfriend supporting a single mom? Facts. Guys, a lot of times you look at this courtroom footage, they'll have already had another baby with like another chick, or they'll be like, oh, my girlfriend and her kids. You know what I'm saying? It's just a mess. It's some BS Brady Bunch crap.
And giving me physical custody of my child, having her reside with me, and me provide for her when that got rescinded, because she stayed with me all the way from 2009 to 2019 per this court's order. And as far as the current payments, the $58.50 a week, Your Honor, I can make good on every week that I haven't paid since the last time I looked at you on this screen, Your Honor. If you get me to the first of the month, I'll pay the whole thing, the 500 something plus the next $58.50 that's owed for the next week per this court's order. But I still like a review of my case, if you could, Your Honor, or an audit of my case, because I don't know at what point Ms. Brown became the plaintiff instead of the defendant again in this case, because Judge Sent gave me custody of my child. And I
told you guys, he went to Kinko's, you know, he got his copies. He got his manila folder. He got his church suit.
You watched a few episodes of Matlock?
Straight up, dude. And he thinks he's going to get some justice. Yeah, right.
I feel like the whole time, I just feel like I've been attacked because
please.
While I had custody of my child, per this court's order, Your Honor, they took my license away and my livelihood. And I was a self-employed trucker at the time. And I'm sorry for laying all this on you this morning, Your Honor.
Well, we reinstated your license in 21, so that's a non-issue at this point because you've got it back.
They don't care, dude.
Ms. Brown, do you know if he had custody? Do you know when that order changed?
So, Your Honor, what I can tell you, I just quickly looked at his case. The last time current support charged on this case was October of 2008. So the arrears built up. He was being charged over $500 a month, and he wasn't complying from the entry of the order.
Look at that. So he had custody of his daughter from like 2009 until she was 18, and he still owes $45,000. Yo, look at that. I told you guys. I told you. He thought I got him this time, guys. I'm ready. I got my manila folder and my red stapler. I'm ready. Come on, dude.
Through 2008. So this case has been arrears only since 2008.
Dang.
Okay, does that help you, sir? I mean, you stated.
Yes, sir.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir. It's
Okay,
arrears.
so as of the time that Judge Sint entered an order giving you custody in 2009, there hasn't been any support accrue at that point.
Yes,
This is
sir.
only for the last, for the time before.
So that's what, 15 years ago? So his child support's been sitting at 45 G's for the last 15 years.
Oh, wow.
Guys, don't put yourself here, man. Don't be this guy. You know what I'm saying? Getting his license taken away in jail time.
So does he owe? I'm sorry. Does he owe child support from before he had custody?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Because he got custody of his daughter, and you would think that they'd give him some type of credit or something because he had custody the whole time. Or this knucklehead would have gone and tried to get child support from his baby mom.
Yeah.
Right? Come on.
2008, actually.
Okay, and Your Honor, as far as my my employment, I had a bad car accident in February. I've had 7 different employers since then. I'm under a doctor's care, and I also have an attorney, Barry and Barry, out of Dearborn, Michigan, for my personal injury. They are set to settle by February 27th, which is the anniversary 1 year of my accident, of my car getting totaled and hurting my back. I'm under the care of Dr. Sidney Stano at Albion Family Chiropractic Care on Austin Avenue in Albion. And I go there 3 to 4 times a week for my back. And I've been unable to stand at work. And I'm hopefully by August 3rd, I can return to Tenneco and come to work there because it'd be 1 year anniversary of the time I got fired. They won't let me come back until then. And that's the only job I could find that I could actually sit on a forklift and sit and work. But I will make good on the payment of the $58.50 up until, up to current from the last time I saw you, Your Honor. And like I said, I'm getting a lawsuit settlement coming in February. I'm hoping it's some type of way I could settle with the court or fix this or at least knock a big chunk off of what I owe, or if not pay the whole thing. Your Honor, I've been trying,
Okay. So when would you be able to pay the your current support amount and the you said you referenced the $500 as well?
Yes, I'll be able to take care of that on the 1st of the month, sir.
1st of the month, okay.
Yes, sir. 1 August.
Okay. Well, what I'm going to do, sir, I'm going to give you a chance. What I'm going to do is have you order that you continue to comply with and pay the current support arrearage amount and further pay the lump sum of $500 no later than, I'm going to adjourn the matter to August 16, 2023 are you 8:45, Ms. Brown?
Now, guys, surprisingly, this judge actually seems like he's trying to work with him.
Well, that's what I'm saying. This guy's usually a cool judge.
Yeah, so.
Yes, Your Honor.
8:45. I'll give you to August 10th to pay the $500. And then as well, we'll be able to see what you're doing. Are you working? If you are working and you're paying this current amount, we can in fact continue to adjourn the matter and keep that suspended sentence in place until we get some resolution of your personal injury case. But I will tell you, if you do nothing between now and the August 16th date, you better plan on going to jail and serving the 21 days that I suspended previously. So
imagine being a grown ass man and having to deal with this crap. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Every 2 months going back. The thing is, yes, he's not complying, but guys, you cannot put yourself in this position. Because what would be even worse is if he is trying to do what he's supposed to do, and he had a baby mama involved that was still trying to take him to court. Guys, he's dealing with this foolishness for a mess that he created 15 years ago.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm gonna pay. I like being free. I'm gonna pay you.
Okay, we'll see you
Your
back
Honor,
on
Mayor,
August. Go ahead.
I want Mr. Calhoun to be clear that his monthly obligation ordered on arrears is $250 a month.
$250 a month.
Yeah.
Okay, I was looking at something that deducted that said $58.50 a week or something. That's what it said on the.
It's $250 a month. So I just wanted to make
some
sure.
type of ADP payment. $250 a month.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we'll see you back on August 16th, sir.
Here we go. The plot.
Mr. Calhoun, in this matter, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to pay child support and
Well, this just happened. Look at that.
related expenses. Upon a first conviction, you could be ordered to serve up to 45 days in jail. If it's a second or subsequent offense, up to 90 days in jail. You understand the charges?
I understand, Your Honor.
The court has appointed Ms. Huffman to represent you in this matter. Have you had sufficient opportunity to speak to Ms. Huffman in preparation for this proceeding?
Yes.
Ms. Huffman, are you ready to proceed?
I am,
Dude,
Your
man, this guy just looks older and older and older.
Over the course of months, not years.
I don't know how old this guy looks, but black does crack, dude. Where's the race card out? I got to post that bad boy out, dude.
Your Honor.
This is a compliance.
Gator Gut says 20 years in the military. So when you retire, if you have any disabilities, you are allowed to pick up 100% from DOD, or you can agree to have that as part of your retirement plan in the VA. Okay. He said that the VA benefits are better protected. So the ex-wife in the court has to ask if they're allowed to use that money. Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. That person can't live without that money that it can't be used. Interesting. Man, guys, give Gator Guts a round of applause. Because I didn't know any of this, guys. I didn't know any of this at all. So I just know guys that are in the service that have got screwed over. You know, paternity court, child support court, getting cheated on, divorced, all that foolishness. So
Compliance hearing. He has a monthly obligation of $253.50. This is an arrears only case. Mr. Calhoun's last voluntary payment was September.
Trevor, what's up, dude? He says I use the race card as a screensaver.
12th, and that was $6.85 through an income withholding with Tenneco. Back on July 19th of 23, Your Honor suspended a sentence for Mr. Calhoun. That sentence was 21 days, 0 days credit with a $500 purge. You also ordered him to make an additional $500 payment at that time. So to reflect the compliance, Mr. Calhoun during that court order did pay $550.55. In the last 3 months, he's paid $0. He's had 2 prior contempt findings. His total shortfall for the 3 months is $760.50. His total arrears are $44,507.28 through the end of December. Friend of the court would like the court to be aware that Mr. Calhoun did submit some medical documentation speaking to the fact that he has been taken off work, not able to work from November the 15th through just recently. However, Mr. Calhoun has also informed friend of the court he has other income, he has other available resources, he receives monthly VA checks.
Snitching, someone snitched on me.
Do you contest or dispute any of the statements made by Ms. Brown?
No, I do not.
Do you have any questions for Ms. Brown?
Do you know how much Mr. Calhoun receives for his VA disability or VA?
I do not know the amount.
Okay. Is that something that you can collect on? Is his VA, are you allowed to collect on that?
We cannot establish an income withholding on it. Mr. Calhoun would have to allow the VA to send in the court-ordered amount every month, but that's something he would have to approve. So to answer your question, we cannot establish an income withholding on it, but there is paperwork for him to allow the VA to make that payment every month.
Okay, thank you. I have no further questions.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Any proofs, Ms. Huffman?
Yes, I would call Mr. Calhoun. Are you currently receiving any income?
Well, what I get is not considered an income. It's a non-taxable government benefit, a stipend from the VA. And yes, I guess it's considered an income.
Gotcha.
But it's $2,374 a month. And it's for rent and for bills and for paying for meds. And I guess for getting back and forth to doctor's appointments now, because I've been under doctor's care all year last year, from February until now.
Yep, and I was just going to ask you about that. Are you considered to be disabled right now?
Well, right now, ma'am, I'm a 90% disabled veteran, first of all. And second of all, I'm disabled. I have stenosis in my neck. They want to do a neck surgery on me, stenosis of my spine. I'm afraid. I don't want to let them cut on me, but I have to. I don't want to end up paralyzed. I had a severe accident on February the 27th of last year. I think I may have mentioned it in court before that I was under the doctor's care and that I had been in an accident.
There it is.
Is that doctor's
That's what I have.
care, or I guess documentation from the doctor? Does that state that you're still unable to work?
Yes, it does.
Okay, and does the friend of the court have that information?
Yes, Miss Brown said that she received it when I spoke with her this morning. I've sent the off work slips for the last 3 months that the doctor gave me, and he also suggested that I not go back to work for fear that I might become paralyzed.
And how long does he expect that you would be off work?
Well, at least he told me I should probably file for disability, because once they go in there and fuse my neck, I may not be able to work again. They're going to fuse the vertebrae in my neck or something here.
Okay, and was that from the accident?
Yes, it was, ma'am.
Okay, and have you filed for Social Security disability yet?
I have an open claim right now. I'm in the process of, I just didn't have everything I needed to enter into the system while I was filing it.
Mm-hmm.
But
you filed, but they've requested more documentation.
I need more information. Yes.
Okay, and then is there also a possibility that you could get a payment from the insurance company from the accident?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, but the litigation doesn't start. The 1 year mark is at February 27th. The Progressive Insurance has offered me several settlements, and my lawyers have turned them down because it wouldn't cover, I guess, whatever medical, everything that I'm going through. They turned it down. So they're going to litigate starting February 27th will be the 1 year mark. And I also let the court know before that whatever I get from this accident, I'm willing to sign it right over to y'all, because I want to be free.
Okay. Do you have any money to be able to pay the court at this time?
Well, the money I have for my I could put together $250. That just mean I won't get my pain meds, but I can give you that.
Look at that, guys.
That's the only reason I haven't been paying it.
Okay, the income that you do get, you said was for rent, bills, and meds. Does that leave you any money left over?
Usually maybe $300 to $400 a month I have over, and I use that to eat with, man.
Okay, so you don't have, I mean, by the time you pay your expenses, rent, food, gas, and whatever else you need.
He needs to call, whatchamacallit? I have a structured settlement and I need cash now.
877 cash now.
Those commercials, right?
how much is left over after that?
A pitmaster. What's up, man? Luke, what's up, man? Nah, this guy's a disabled veteran, and they're trying to squeeze child support out of him, man. It's sad.
Close to $400, like $390.
Okay, but that includes your food?
That's everything I have.
Okay. Do you know when you might get approved for Social Security disability if you were, or do you not have any clue at this time?
I'm not sure at this point, but I know I'm a 90% disabled veteran. And also, I think they may take that into account. But my lawyer that I have for my personal injury case, he said he could take that on as well if they give me an issue. As far as
so you applied for Social Security disability on your own?
I did it on my own. Yes.
Okay. All right. I have. Do you have anything else that you would like to inform the court of at this time?
No, ma'am. Other than I want to let Your Honor know that I'm not trying to waste the court's time, nor am I trying to defy anything that he's ordered me to do. It's just been very hard for me to get back and forth to these appointments and be able to pay at the same time and not be able to be gainfully employed. And I've tried to go back to work, Your Honor, 7 times since my accident in February. And all 7 jobs I haven't been able to. I left the last place at Tenneco and going straight to the emergency room because I could not stand or move anymore. And if I had a little bit more strength, I would work full time and give y'all everything y'all asking for. But I just don't have it, Your Honor. And I'd hate to get locked up and not be able to get any treatment. But if you do lock me up, I do got my stuff prepared. I'll come to Battle Creek, turn myself in. I got my meds right here.
That.
That's all I got.
Nothing further. Thank you.
Okay. Ms. Brown, I can't remember when was the date you said that we had entered the sentence and then suspended that?
It was July 19th of 2023.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, I do, if I could, I
Yes,
just
go ahead.
would like the court to be aware that the medical documentation received from Mr. Calhoun's doctor yesterday, it goes through February 10th of this year. And then a couple of years ago, Mr. Calhoun was before Your Honor and spoke of his back injury. At that time, you reinstated his driver's license because he had work lined up to drive trucks because of the back injury. And he did not maintain that employment.
Dang, dude. Sonia Brown wants Mr. Calhoun's head on a platter, dude.
Yep.
I tell you can tell by the look on her face. She's like, you cannot let this dude off the hook. Clown world.
The status of your ability or inability to work, and when that
That's a lie. Can I have proof of that?
No,
That's a lie.
Mr. Lamy,
that's a lie.
May I say something, Your Honor?
Yes, go ahead, sir.
This is a total different injury from an accident I just had in February of 2023, Your Honor, where my car was totaled, and that's my neck and back injury came from this injury, this current injury. It's not the same injury from before, Your Honor.
Okay. I have suspended that sentence previously. I'm going to, at this point, I'm going to continue the suspension.
I'll be damned.
What I'm going to do is order that you make a lump sum payment.
Look at how mad this broad is, dude. Look at how mad she is. And guys, she's like, I was just trying to get him put in jail, and you're not going to put him in jail?
How dare you?
And guys, isn't it sad that that's a win, right? That's how pathetic this guy's situation is the fact that the judge is just going to choose to not put him in jail today on this day, and that's a win. Isn't that crazy?
Payment of $200 no later than January 19th, this Friday. Okay? And then I'm going to adjourn the matter to May 15th, 2023, 8:45 a.m. And we will continue the suspended sentence through that time. And I'm doing that so that you can, again, see what happens with regard to the insurance claim that you have as well as your disability claim so we can monitor both of those.
Maybe this judge is like an ex-military guy too. You know what I'm saying? Maybe he like sees something in him or something. You know what I'm saying?
Miss Brown.
Look at how mad she looks. Look at that. Hold on. Where's
Disability claim so we can monitor both of those. Miss Brown, Mr. Calhoun stated he's willing to effectively sign over on that settlement. Is there something we can do and provide to his attorney as far as a lien against that?
He would need to provide his attorney's name and the name of the company that he's suing. Like I have no.
Gator Guts with the $20, man. That rhymes. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate that. And he said, look at these chicks. They hit the wall hard and they're bitter bees. Exactly. You don't see a wedding ring on any of them. Guys, straight into the wall.
I'm starting to wonder if Miss Brown didn't cause his accident.
Nah. She was the one cutting his brake lines in, but she has his address. You know what I'm saying? Look at that.
No idea.
Hey, guys, I'm going to give another kind of... It is a travesty how veterans are treated in this kind of country. Okay? And yes, I know like Wounded Warriors is a great thing, but there's no reason why we should have a Wounded Warriors, because the people act like Wounded Warriors is a good thing and they do great things. But the fact that we have to have them in the first place is absolute clown world. If you join the military and you get deployed and you should be basically taken care of for the rest of your life, not living a life of luxury, right? But you shouldn't have to rely on a nonprofit to give you the stuff you need. Clown world. It's absolutely insane. You know what I mean?
Okay.
But we could do a lien.
Okay.
Mr. Calhoun, can you provide that to Miss Brown?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have no problem with that, Your Honor.
Court will allow you to provide that information within 10 days. 10 days of today's date.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Provide, provide your attorney's name as well as the name of the entity that you believe that you're going to be suing in, I think in February, you said in February 27th at that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
So provide that. Well, what I'll do, I'll give you 14 days. That'll be closer to the time that you're going to be filing that. So you have 14 days to provide that. The name of your name and the contact information on your attorney, as well as the entity that you will be suing on that particular claim. And then the court will, at that point, take a lien against that. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay. That will be all we need today. You're excused. Have a good day.
If I could please, just one more thing, Mr. Calhoun. So I just want to make sure that you understand you have to pay $250 by Friday. I believe that's this Friday, the court stated.
Yeah.
Okay, don't forget about that.
Shoot.
And then make your monthly payments until your next hearing in May. Okay? Continue to make your monthly payments until May.
Your Honor, was the lump sum 200 or 250?
Shut up. She's not going to let him off. She's not. She is upset. She's upset, man.
These two are like they're like at the end of class, so they're raising their hand. Hey, you forgot to assign homework.
200.
Oh, 200. Sorry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
She's not just choosing voluntarily.
Nice. Here we have another case right here. Give me a moment here. 1 second. Where'd it go? Here it is.
10,000.
Now look at this, guys. Now I watch a lot of courtroom footage. This is the same judge. There's something about this guy's face. First of all, this guy on the lower left, his last name is Sack Rider.
Oh yeah, we've seen him before.
Kevin Sackrider, and he's married. I wonder if his wife took his last name, dude. Can you imagine?
He was in that video with that girl who was cursing the judge out.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right.
It was the same judge too, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yep. Was it? Can you imagine his wife's name was like Cynthia Sackrider or like Stacy Sackrider? What were you saying?
Oh no, I was saying that is that previous case. That's another place where I recognize that judge from, with that girl who got mad that her man wasn't going to be locked up, and so she was cursing the judge out for not putting him in jail.
She was upset, man. And look at all these guys are just broke down. Let me see. Old School Glass is here. Pitmaster's here. Garrett Grant's here. What's going on, guys?
Mr. Harrington should have paid $10,788. He paid $239.67.
I've been shot twice, blown up 3 times.
He has an income.
Here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. This guy thinks that the court's gonna care. You know what I'm saying? Like,
through the VA,
we cannot establish an income withholding on it, but there is paperwork for him to allow
Sonia
the VA
again.
to make that payment every month.
He refuses to sign it. I've been begging and pleading.
So the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to pay child support and related expenses. Upon a first conviction, you could be ordered to serve up to 45 days.
this guy looks like McLovin, right? He looks like McLovin dressed up as Harry Potter for Halloween, right?
Days in jail, or if it's a second or subsequent offense, up to 90 days in jail. You understand the charges?
Yes, sir.
He has a current support obligation of $597 a month. The arrearages would be paid pursuant to guideline, which currently is $298.50 plus fees for a total of $899 each month. His last payment paid was $200 on November 29th. There's been 2 prior show causes, a bench warrant, no contempt findings. In the last year, Mr. Harrington should have paid $10,788. He paid $239.67, leaving him short of his obligation of just current support, $10,548.33. The arrearage in this case is $22,272.29.
Gator Guts, hold on. Why does the wife have to sign the VA form? Dude, I've learned more about child support. Like, I thought I knew a lot about child support, but Gator Guts he's putting this on game, dude. Seriously, like, I didn't know any of this about child support in the military. You know, there's another case that we can check out the next time, guys, about international child support. So the dad lives in Australia, and then the mom did something to like suspend the international visitation, and then she's still trying to get money out of the guy.
Biggest problem with this case, well, aside from not getting money, is motivating Mr. Harrington to do anything. We've been trying to collect medical documentation since November of 2022, so over a year. Back on the 23rd of November last year, he told me that
This guy's wearing those glasses that chicks wear. You know what I'm saying? You know how like a lot of girls are wearing these huge rim glasses now to like make themselves look cute. Like my nephew, he's 18. His girlfriend wears these glasses, and they're not prescription. She just wears them just to wear them.
Yeah, they do.
Then look at this guy. You can just see the estrogen just freaking wafting off this guy.
the VA was writing up his medical documentation, and it was never sent to us by him or them. In May of 2022, we notified him of his right to file a support review in the other state. We bent over backwards to help.
Sackrider looks agitated, doesn't he? Like he can't sit still. Chill, dude.
Him do that. I think we may have just received that
Well,
paperwork.
what a name is Sackrider, though. He was probably like that for his whole life.
But we went ahead and processed it because that has to be filed in the other state. Aside from that, he has an income through the VA of $1,528 each month, but as you can see, very little has been paid in the last year.
Mr. Sackrider, do you contest or dispute any statements made by Ms. Petrulio?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions for Ms. Petrulio?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Any proofs, Mr. Sackrider?
Yeah, I'd call Mr. Harrington.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, Mr. Harrington, you heard the testimony of Ms. Petrulio, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Was there anything you disagreed with?
Other than dealing with the VA aspect of it, because I can only push so much with them. I did get them the paperwork here recently again, and I'm trying to get them to push this. My biggest issue was the paperwork was trying to come from the state of Michigan for disability also. But the state of Michigan has yet to give me any type of answer on if I'm getting that disability through the state or not.
You are currently not employed, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You're receiving disability benefits through the VA, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
When did you start
Dude.
receiving those?
What's that?
What is Sackrider on? He cannot sit still. For
I don't
1
know,
second. He's
man.
bouncing all over.
No, he was up playing freaking World of Warcraft all night, and now he's only up. And
it looks jittery as hell.
Now, like Red Bull and friggin' Twinkies are the only thing keeping him up. You know.
The end of 2019, I believe.
What is your disability?
As of right now, that they have documented, they are working on others, but as of right now, it is PTSD, anxiety, and depression.
How much do you receive per month through your VA benefit?
$1,500, $1,528 a month.
$1,528 a month, guys. That's it. And you remember that they had a thing that said he's been shot and blown up, and all he gets is $1,500 a month. Absolute clown world. Look at that.
Do you receive any other income?
No, sir.
Ms. Petrulio testified that she's been trying to get medical documentation from you since November of 2022. What is the situation with the medical documentation?
I am unsure. I don't know why the VA has not sent that over yet.
I can tell you guys why, because the VA sucks. I used to work at the VA, guys. And this is years ago. This is like, 10, 15 years ago. You guys, I have to say the VA is one of the worst places to work. Our veterans deserve so much better than these knuckleheads who work at the VA. The culture of the VA is just the VA is like the Walmart of government agencies. You know what I'm saying?
Pushing to continue to get them to get that over there to the courthouse so that you guys will have that on file. I am in the process of trying to get a hold of them today as soon as I get off of the phone for today.
Your obligation is approximately $900 per month. Were you aware of that?
$900 a month.
When I talked to the judge when I was in jail for my bench warrant, I understood it as I only had to pay $214 as of right now while I was dealing with the disability aspect of it.
All right. When did you go to jail?
October 2nd, I believe.
All right. And was that for a child support warrant?
Yes, sir.
So he's been to jail. Think about that. All this disability and all this stuff this guy has, and he's been in jail for this crap.
How long were you in jail?
Altogether about a week.
And did you post a bond?
Yes, sir.
Was that amount put towards your child support arrears?
I believe so, yes.
Do you recall the amount of the bond?
I believe it was $200, and then I believe taxes and fees, possibly.
Okay. And then you made another payment on November 29th of this year in the amount of $200. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So before October, did you make any payments this year?
I honestly thought that I was trying to pay it through the when you go onto the website to make a payment and everything, I thought that it was making a payment to both cases that I have. But
whoa, both cases? Oh no, he has another child support case? Dude, what are you doing, bro?
I think Sack Rider is his defense attorney, right?
Yeah, I think
And
so.
Trulio is the DA.
Dude, she is upset, man. Sack Rider I don't know what he's on, dude, but did you I don't know, man. Maybe he caught his wife cheating on him earlier in the morning. But he just seems distracted and like he doesn't even want to be there, you know?
Apparently,
maybe Sack Rider caught the wife riding a sack. You know what I'm saying? That wasn't his.
Van Buren County has told me to pay them through this one, and then through what is that? All Paid is the site that they want me to pay them through. So I switched over to that, and I thought that was taking care of both of them.
All right. How much were you paying on the other support obligation?
As of right now, I am paying $100. I'm trying to give Calhoun County the majority of everything for $200.
All right. So you're paying Van Buren $100 per month?
Yes, sir.
For child support?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Do you receive any other state assistance?
I get food stamps and health care through the state.
Okay. All right. And your diagnosis prevents you from working, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. What is your plan in the future to pay the child support obligation?
I'm trying to get the paperwork in from the VA to the courthouse, and prove that this is real. I am disabled, and try and get the amount lowered so that I can make those payments on time, in full, and make it not be an issue to where we have to do
Look
that.
at this broad's face on the upper right. You know who she looks like, guys? Hold on. You know who she looks
I
like?
think I know where you're going. Oh, with the jacket, yeah.
That's who she looks like. Dude. She looks like Cruella DeVille. Right there. Right there, man. Right there. Who are you going to say, Jameson?
I can't. I already forgot her name. I can't remember. From Kingpin, Woody Harrelson's
Oh, yeah.
landlord.
Oh, yeah. Kingpin.
If you slick your hair back.
Lady.
Oh, yikes.
You remember that? You guys remember Kingpin, dude? You remember this movie? You still owe me another month's rent. Guys, if you haven't seen Kingpin, dude, oh man, you guys gotta check this movie out, bro. You guys gotta check this movie out with a prime Vanessa Angel. You guys gotta check this movie out. One of the funniest movies I've ever seen. Bill Murray, dude, Big Earn McCracken. Look at that, man. Good stuff.
I'm really trying here. I really am.
All right, thank you. No further questions.
Okay. Sir, you said that you thought that you were making payments to the front of the court in Calhoun County in the amount of $200. But obviously, if that's not being taken out and you're trying to make payments, you can obviously see you're not making payments. Is that correct?
I believe, yes, I understand what you were saying, sir. I understand what you were saying, and yes, that would be correct. The way that I thought was that it was paying for both of them when I put that money into the All Paid.
Okay. And again, until just last week, you haven't done anything to get your support reviewed. And if what you're saying is correct, as far as the VA benefits, that again, court could clearly and easily modify your support obligation, but you haven't taken the initiative until last week to do anything about that. Why is that?
I have been trying to get in contact with the therapist that has to fill out the paperwork, because primary care will not. I've legitimately been trying to get into contact with him. I have been working with my primary care trying to get the paperwork filled out. He refuses to sign it. I've been begging and pleading, and he refuses to sign it because he keeps saying that it's a psychology paperwork that needs to be filled out on this one.
Have you looked into anything in the, let's say in the last year as to relates to any occupational therapy that might take into account PTSD and see if you qualify for employment in some various fields? Have you looked into that?
I have gone to a couple different doctors that the VA has been kind enough to set me up with. One for neurological issues and the other for psychological, trying to get me onto a path that I can maintain employment at a place. I haven't gotten to that point yet.
Why is that?
Well, honestly, sir, I've been shot twice, blown up 3 times.
There you go.
My mental ability is been affected by far. I often feel as if somebody is after me, that I don't feel safe, and I am always looking to make sure that nobody is coming after me, which prevents me from being able to do my job.
Look at that.
I can't focus on feeling like I'm okay while trying to, say, like run a machine in a factory or cook somebody's food. And it prevents me from staying on my task at a work site.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to tell me, sir?
At this moment, no, sir.
Okay. Well, Kurt's heard the testimony in this matter that it does appear that Ms. Petrulio in the front of the court, she's attempted to work with Mr. Harrington for a substantial period of time. That was since November of 2022, where she's attempted to get medical documentation. She's also sent him documentation so that he could do a support review. He hasn't pursued that until approximately.
Gator Guts, man, thanks for hanging out, bro. Like I said, hey, man, so we're live Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, man. And guys, hold on. Let me say before anyone goes, we're still going. But guys, here is the link to the Discord. We have a Discord, guys. I'm going to drop this right now. So for anyone, please go and join the Discord. I'd appreciate that. Here we go.
So is Petrulio wearing the same jacket that Zoe Saldana wears in that T-Mobile commercial?
I was thinking the same thing.
A week ago, and that paperwork was not complete, but notwithstanding that, she has still attempted to submit that so that he could be relieved of the substantial obligation in this particular matter. She has contacted him repeatedly about getting medical documentation. He claims that he's attempted to get that from the VA and has had some difficulties
what is with
in doing so.
Over there?
He has stated that otherwise he's not done anything to acquire employment. He claims that he has some mental disabilities with PTSD, anxiety, depression that prohibit him from doing that. I would, in fact, inform Mr. Harrington that there are a number of individuals that, again, have situations comparable to him that work through the VA, and they have jobs available out there that he could qualify for. He hasn't.
He said, I don't care if you have PTSD or any of that. You can still get a job. And he is right, guys, because the VA that I worked at, plenty of veterans that had mental issues, substance abuse issues. I had to work side by side with some of those guys, and it was a mess.
You know,
stated
Sack Rider.
that he's
Sack Rider looks like he's worried somebody's coming after him all the time.
to
That's how
do
he's
that.
behaving.
In this particular matter, he's well aware of his support obligation. He's now in excess of $22,000 in arrears
$22,000
in this particular matter. The court will find that he's not exercised a good faith attempt at compliance. He's failed or refused to comply. And court would note as well that he has income of $1,528 per month that he has obviously not paid towards his support obligation. In this particular case, the court will find him in contempt of
That's
court.
it. Jail.
Ms. Petrulio, he stated that he was incarcerated back on October 2nd. Do you have a record as to, he said he was in about a week?
Yeah, I don't have that. I mean, I can't log into the jail system from where I'm at. But I can definitely put that number in the order.
Okay. Anything before sentencing, Mr. Sackrider?
Guys, before how much time do you guys think that they're gonna give him? Because he already did a month. So what, 30 days? Right? That's what I think. Guys, put in the chat how much time do you think he's gonna get?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Probably gonna get 90.
We would ask that the court not impose a jail sentence, or if they do have that sentence suspended. My client testified that he is receiving income. He has begun to make $200 per month payments. He is attempting to get the situation with the VA straightened out, and we would ask for him to get that situation straightened out and that he not serve any jail time. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Well, court could sentence you up to 45 days in jail, Mr. Harrington. I'm not going to, but I do believe that in view of the testimony in this particular matter, that some jail time is appropriate.
There it is.
What I'm going to do is I am going to sentence you to 14 days in jail.
14 days in jail. 14 days in jail. Look at that.
Ms. Petrulio will check into the credit and will give you a credit for the time you served in jail in early October. I will allow you to purge yourself of contempt of court by paying the sum of $500. You will have to serve that jail sentence or pay the purge amount no later than 4:00 p.m. on December 15, 2023. That gives you a week and a half to take care of that. If you're able to post the purge amount, you would not have to go to jail. Do you have any questions?
Okay. No, sir.
Okay.
What was the purge amount, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
$500.
Okay.
Well, so he has a week and a half to raise $500.
$500, man. You better drive some Uber Eats or something straight up, dude. This is not a game. And guys, look at the comments. Someone says, how is this disabled vet supposed to pay $900 in support? Makes no sense. Someone says, thank you for your service, Ms. Harrington. Stay safe. Someone says, dealing with the VA takes forever. Someone says, so you sent disabled vet with PTSD to jail. So this guy's going to be a self-deletion statistic. Look at that, man. Someone says, Sack Rider, stop moving. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, man. Anyways, yeah, guys. So this next one, this knucklehead, this moron, this simp, this idiot decides to not place his baby mama on child support because he can take care of his children himself.
Sounds like a TradCon.
Straight up, dude. I tell you guys, besides press charges, guys, get that money. Okay? If you can get money out of some chick legally, man, straight up. That's like if you happen to get some your mama who makes more than you, you married to her, guys, divorce her, get that alimony, man.
City boy, city boy.
City boys stand up, dude. City boys stand up and get that alimony. Get paid, man. Straight up.
Yeah.
Is this Judge Rosie O'Donnell? Is that what we're looking at here?
Look at that, guys.
Oh,
Look at that.
ma'am, I would never do that to her.
This young lady, whenever the child needs to eat, she can't make excuses. And every month she has to pay bills and she can't make excuses. So he needs to pay on a monthly basis every month.
In the virtual courtroom is William Joyce. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
The other party on the case, Jessica Joyce, is not present in the
Of course she's
virtual
not.
courtroom, but was served on August the 10th, 2023. Also, the aunt on the case, the other party, Jennifer Murphy, is not present in the virtual courtroom and was served August 16th, 2023. Angela Jacob Ware with the Attorney General's Office is present. Are you ready to proceed?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
The state calls William Nicholas Joyce. Are you the father of Corbin Cash Joyce, born October 12th,
Corbin
2015?
Cash.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
The name is Dalton.
Okay. Does he currently reside with you?
Yes,
Thought
ma'am,
he'd
he
be
does.
bigger.
And he previously resided with his aunt, your sister, Jennifer Murphy, correct?
Yes, ma'am, he did.
How long has Corbin been living with you?
Since November of last year.
And how did he come to live with you instead of Jennifer?
My sister gave him back to me because I accomplished all the things that I needed to accomplish with my legal matters.
Okay.
I got my own place and house and stuff like that after I accomplished everything I needed to accomplish.
Okay. And prior to him living with Jennifer, he lived with you, correct?
Yes, ma'am, he did.
And why is it that he was living with you instead of the mother?
I right whenever he was born, she ran off with Corbin, and I asked her not to do that with a guy, and they got caught with.
She ran off with his son and a guy, and then
drugs.
She got caught with drugs. Of course, and yes, he does have a neck tattoo. Right? Obviously, this guy is not the sharpest knife in the drawer.
Called CPS on them, and I won him in court against the state of Texas because they had said that because I called CPS that I had prior knowledge and I didn't. Anyways, I got him back within 24 hours.
So the mom was such a
So he was
junkie.
initially placed with you by CPS, and then you gave him to Jennifer to live with her for a while, and now he's back with you.
Yes, ma'am. I just had prior legal problems
Okay,
that I had to take care of.
I understand. And how is
We assumed
Corbin
that.
insured for medical insurance?
He is insured under Medicaid, and I have all of his information right here.
Okay, do you have health insurance available for him through any other source at a reasonable cost?
Other than Medicaid, no.
Okay.
Compliments
And
is
are you
gold
requesting
chain.
that the court order Jessica, the mother, to pay child support?
It's just like how we talked about earlier, ma'am. I'm confused. I don't need her child support. She doesn't ever work. I would just be sentencing her to prison. I'd rather just do this on my own, even though I know that she has to pay the medical support so he can have Medicaid.
There it is. Right there, guys. There it is. There it is. Right there. I would just be sentencing her to prison.
Beta!
Right there, guys. This is why these 304s just get off the hook for everything. It's because all these guys do, old school glass. That's what I was gonna say. He seems like he's on that glass. You know what I'm saying? But these people do not press charges, and these chicks walk away. They completely walk away for everything. You know what I'm saying? Man,
Okay, so you don't want any child support, correct?
I don't want nothing from her.
look at that.
Okay, are you able to support the child on your own?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
And are you foregoing child support so as not to place a financial hardship on Jessica?
Yes, ma'am. I
Clown
would never do that
world.
to her.
Okay.
I would do that to her, man.
And when's the last time that she's seen Corbin?
I would have to say before I took him. I mean,
Okay.
no. She came by in Dallas whenever I lived in Dallas, like a couple times, and she's seen him. Yeah.
Okay, well, when was that?
2017.
Dang.
So because of the lack of contact, are you requesting that the court enter a modified possession order that sort of has a stair-step visitation that starts out with supervised visitation?
Yes, ma'am. I would need to know that she's in her right mind and in the right place in life to be able to take off with my kid all the way across Texas.
Okay. And you understand that she would be responsible for picking him up from you and taking him back to you unless the two of you agree on something else. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. I would hope so because that would show that she's in a more responsible state in life.
Please,
Are you
please.
requesting that the court order her to have 4 supervised visits with Corbin for 4 Saturdays? Basically every other Saturday, like first Thursday.
Luke, man, Luke, you have no idea, bro. You have no idea until you travel abroad and then you go to like Europe or Asia or South America and then you get off the plane back in the States. You're like, oh my God, look. Look at the difference. What's that?
Is that same woman who got dragged out of the Red Roof Inn?
Yeah. It's Pat, right?
Saturday, from what time to what time?
It would really. I guess we got to make up a time.
Razor Gamer says this guy should have probably gotten a DNA test. The baby mama was probably the town bicycle facts.
Right now, but let's say in the evening from 12 to 5 because I know that it would be hard for her to reach here in the morning. I don't know how many hours are allotted.
12,
you know what I mean? But
12
let's
noon
do
to
half a
5.
day. If she has to drive this far, let's do half a day. You know what I mean? Like,
Okay, so 12 noon to 5 o'clock.
yes.
Okay. And then you would want it to graduate to 4 half-a-day unsupervised visits, correct?
All right, let's skip ahead, guys. Come on.
To her eventually having him over a weekend.
As long as she can prove herself, everybody deserves a second chance.
Okay.
This guy's a fool. He's a fool. She's an absolute moron. You know what I'm saying? Come on, dude.
I'm sure if the situation were reversed, she'd do the same for him.
Come on, man.
Is there anything else you need to tell the court regarding any of these issues I have not asked you about?
No.
Your Honor, the state rests subject to closing argument.
Have anything else that you want to testify to before the state is so the state is rested? That means they have no further evidence or testimony. Do you have any further evidence, or do you also rest?
No, I rest.
Close.
Your Honor, the state requests that the court remove Jennifer Murphy, the aunt, as a conservator of the child and appoint William Nicholas Joyce and Jessica Joyce joint managing conservators, with Mr. Joyce having the right to determine the child's primary residence. That the court enter a possession order based on Mr. Joyce's testimony that's appropriate.
With Jessica Joyce being the possessory conservator of the child. I will order a phased-in possession schedule.
So basically, he got what he wanted.
Does that
Even though
address
he
all
didn't
of
order
your
child
questions, Ms.
support.
Jacob Ware?
I believe so, Your Honor.
All right.
The amount of VA disability you receive,
Clown world. Wait.
the amount of Social Security disability you're receiving, we've calculated the guideline support would be $700 after giving credit for the
Wait,
the
what's
offset.
good? I gotta
What
find this.
reasons would you like the court to consider to lower that?
Because ma'am, I'm unemployable and I'm on unemployability and I'm
unemployability
permanent and total disabled veteran of the United States Army.
Is that this one? I wonder. Huh. I gotta find that one. But yeah, guys, if you're in child support court, you're screwed. Straight up screwed. Right? And then once the dude actually gets custody, all of a sudden they are trying to be nice. You know what I'm saying? And guys, we're gonna switch gears here. Okay. We're gonna switch gears here, guys.
That's the sound of the police.
Uh-oh.
Let me just change the ambiance here, right? Let's get the environment going here, guys. I got a couple of doozies for you today. You guys, here, let's see. Now, guys, please remember that I do have a second channel called 50 and 304s, and that's all this type of content. And guys, I'm going to make this announcement here. I'm starting a new series, right? And I'm going to call it Raised by 304s, okay? Because there's a bunch of body cam footage
On March
of these young boys that have obviously been raised by 304s, by single moms, right? Getting annihilated by the cops, like this guy right here. This is going to be the very first video in the series. I'll give you guys a preview, right? Watch.
Stop walking away then. Go up there.
I saw this one today.
Over there. I'm not walking nowhere. I'm staying on the sidewalk like you just told me. Okay, you said go on the sidewalk. I'm on the sidewalk. Why are you telling me to do different stuff, you dumbass? You're a rookie. You said come on the sidewalk. I'm on the sidewalk. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. I'm staying on the sidewalk.
Okay, grab him.
I'm staying on the sidewalk. I'm not going nowhere. I'm staying on this. No.
Get me out of here.
I'm not moving. I'm staying on the sidewalk. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing anything, dude. Stop. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing. Okay, I will stop. Bro, I wasn't doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing anything.
Dude, you can just see the estrogen just oozing off this kid, right?
No, dude. Give me your hands. Oh, give us your hands.
All he had to do was cooperate while his girlfriend got arrested because she had weed on her. But no, and then watch. The plot thickens, guys. Watch.
Oh yeah, I saw this one.
Watch.
Stop. Stop. Okay, stop reaching. You're about to break my neck. Okay, stop. Let go of your hands. Let go of your hands. Let go of your hands.
Oh no.
Stop. Oh, dude, I'm not doing nothing. Please stop. Please freaking stop. Please stop. Stop.
His shoes flew off.
Stop.
Big shoes.
Just let go. Give us your arm.
Now watch.
Ow, please. Ow, I am. I'm not doing nothing.
Now watch, guys.
Oh my God. Ow.
One, two,
Ow.
watch.
Stop reaching the pocket.
Watch.
Oh, I can't breathe.
Of course.
I can't breathe.
Okay. Of course.
I can't.
Now watch.
Water. Stop. Water. Sit up.
Not water. Water, guys.
Ow.
Now watch.
Can I have water, please?
Yeah, hold on.
Mr. Murphy, please. Murphy, there's nothing in my pockets, I swear to God.
Please. Please.
Ow, my arm. Ow. Mister. Ow.
Watch.
Back up.
That's his mom.
Hey, I just pulled this out of his ass, okay? Yes, so get.
Look at that. Guys,
Oh,
see
boy.
that? What's that?
Yeah.
What's that? Right
Yeah.
there. Right there. This guy's mouthing off to the cops, acting stupid, and he had this on. And he's lucky that he didn't pull it. And these cops said, straight up, dude. Look at that.
Mom, I did nothing.
Please. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be the start of a new series.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to have 50 and 304s, guys. Obviously, we'll do the lives. I'm going to start dropping this type of footage on this channel. The tentative title is going to be like Raised by 304s or something. Guys, help me out with the title. Okay, and it's gonna be all these dudes that are obviously raised by single moms. Okay,
yeah. about my 304 mama, like that Artie Lang bit.
Yeah, huh? Or guys, help me think of a name because right now it's gonna be like Raised by 304s or
304 boys. 3 or 4 boys?
Yeah, 3 or 4 boys. Or something. Yeah, something that's got the same ring as 5-0 and 304. See what I'm saying? And probably a lot out of Chicago. That's facts. That's facts. All right, guys, let's check out some knuckleheads here. Give me a minute here. Where were we? Where'd it go? Okay. So that's here. Wait, Win Dixie? What is that? Is that a shop? Is that a store of some kind?
Deputies responded to a report
of fatherless behavior. Huh. That would be an interesting one, right? Huh.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Shoplifting at the grocery store.
Father's behavior. Yeah, maybe.
What's that?
No, I'm saying that the fatherless behavior. I think that might work.
Look at these chicks' nails, dude. Look at these raptor claws these rods have. They do all this crap with these nails and stuff. When you can't get a gym membership, please. You know what I'm saying?
Transactions, and that's all I was doing. 3 different transactions on paying for my stuff. Why the I got a mother 8 man to a bitch. Why I got to do that and I'm paying for my shit?
What do you mean, amen?
Why is she yelling?
Okay.
I'm paying for my stuff. 3 different transactions.
I don't even think she's speaking English at this point. Hey guys, I got the raised card out, man. Straight up. Here's the thing about all guys. I have friends of mine that are immigrants, like legal immigrants from other countries, and they don't realize that even though I know guys that have like Chinese accents, Croatian accents, they speak better English than a lot of these knuckleheads that live in like Louisiana and Alabama and stuff. You know what I'm saying? And they don't believe me until they actually go. Like, dude, trust me. Like, I know people from freaking, you know what I mean, Poland that speak better English than this knucklehead.
Bitch, I got money. Bitch, I ain't worried about that. But I'm just saying I'm paying for my stuff. That's all I'm doing. I got 3 different transactions, so I'm paying for my stuff, and that's all I was doing.
All right. Where's the stuff at?
Over there.
So she paid for it. The whole buggy's already backed up. Nothing's paid for. This is all that's paid from the buggy. She's attempting to leave with the buggy. So they told her she has to pay for everything. She's making a big scene out of it.
So for the record, you only pay for 1 item.
It's not even paid. This is a suspended receipt.
A suspended transaction?
Yes.
But she's saying that she paid for it.
Yes. She's trying to
scam.
Yes. So I'm going to pay for each transaction injury one by one.
No, you don't.
No. So like I said, she's been making a big scene. That's trespassing. This is like the first time we had this incident.
And they suspended my transaction, and I'm paying for it.
All right. What's your name?
So she came with an old receipt and was trying to grab that stuff and walk out with it and say, wait a minute, like, why did you guys, I bought this and now you're acting like I didn't buy this. Oops.
Well, a suspended transaction is something that they ring up and then just suspended.
Yeah.
You got your ID with you?
Don't worry about my ID. I just want my shit. You know what? Okay. That's a tweet that shit.
Okay, listen.
Don't worry about my ID. Don't worry about the mother thing.
Okay, listen.
That's it. That's it.
Listen. Am I being disrespectful with you?
Because this shit done made me mad.
I understand.
And I want to hit some other right now.
Thinking about this knucklehead's completely in the wrong and acting a damn fool. Rachel Gamer says, I bet she's pregnant. I have a lot of background noise coming from someone, so if you could stop the background noise.
And I don't like that. No, I ain't gonna hit the police. So y'all ain't gonna take me to jail. Y'all kiss my ass on everything. I know.
Suspended transaction. She didn't pay for her items.
Right, and
I'm speaking to him, so give me 1 second. Relax. Relax. She was gonna try to do 1 by 1 individual on the items, but you had the whole cart full, ready to walk out. So manager just wants to not prosecute, but wants to go ahead and
doesn't want to prosecute. Right there, guys. Guys, what do we always say on this channel? Press charges, press charges, press charges.
So that's what is that? So for today, we're gonna grab your ID, you can get your information. You're not, if you come back tomorrow,
I'm coming back when it's
listen perfectly. That's fine.
And y'all ain't get my ID either.
Okay, well now you're gonna go to jail then for obstruction because you're not giving me your ID. Nope. Okay. Okay.
So you gonna take me to jail?
You
or
want to jail?
what?
You want to go home?
I'm going home.
Then give me the ID. Stop playing games.
Give me the
ID, or you go
Stop
playing
my
games.
hand.
Stop playing games, or you're gonna get
Let go my
resisted
hand
as well.
because I will get it to you.
Okay. Get the ID.
Well, let go my hand. Don't hold my motherfucking hand.
Okay. Give me the ID. Because
Come
I'm not
on.
playing games. I'm not playing. ID now. ID now, or you're gonna get a resistant. You're gonna get a resistant charge. Go with the ID. Go with the ID. Go with the ID.
So you can avoid all this.
Can you get the ID? Because I'm
Give me a minute.
Well, hurry
Let
up.
me go on my way.
Hurry up, get the ID.
Wrong with the ugly ass feet. Because I ain't going no jail.
Okay. Give me the ID.
That's what you
Let
think.
me a minute. Let me find it. Can you give me a minute to find it?
Just give me your name. It's a lot easier. Give me
No,
your name.
I'm going to give you my ID.
You're about to go to jail. I'm not
I ain't
playing
gonna-
with you. Okay. You are gonna go to jail if you keep playing with me. Because my patience is running very thin. Okay? So give me your name, or you got 2 minutes to give me the ID.
Give me a minute. Let me find it.
You got about 1 minute left.
Well, you got to wait a minute.
What's your name?
That's it. You got my ID. Right here.
Thank you.
Dang, what a mess.
Ugly, real big. Bitch, I'm paying for my shit. Bitch, I'm have to come out there and steal all these bitches that come here and steal and take.
13
That's
hours before 3. Take a deal.
I don't have no work, no nothing.
I really don't.
I'm all the way good.
1, 2,
So you want to hold that? Let me go down here.
703. You're not free to go. You're not free to go. Okay? You're not free to go.
Yeah, she's still going. She's still going.
As soon as he's done with that, then you can leave. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
I don't want to talk to you.
You can't go nowhere just yet.
I should go where the fuck I want to go.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You go straight to jail. Go ahead.
I ain't going
Walk.
to jail. I got to
Go ahead. Walk. Go ahead.
Good man.
Go ahead. Walk.
I'm talking to him. Ain't no work, no nothing. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. No wrong with you, bitch. I'm good. I ain't scared of y'all. Y'all want me to be scared? I ain't scared. I ain't never scared.
Listen.
But you got my ID. When that shit, let me go to the store. Let me get what I'm gonna get and go home and go to Papa and get me some more motherfuckers. With this. This high ass motherfucker. But that can keep that. That can keep that. I go to Papa and spend my money.
All right, guys. Can someone explain to me what she said? I'm completely lost here. You know what I mean?
So I'm good. I know I'm good. Period. Bitch, I'm good. Wait, man, home.
65.
Yeah, girl. Hello.
51. Go to case.
Yeah, cause he home. Bitch, I'm that motherfucker with this and I'm trying to get my shit and I got 3 different transactions. And this old ugly ass Mr. Bill, bitch ass bitch. Flipper the bodybuilder, bitch ass. Call the motherfucker police on. Girl, call the police on me, got me out here with these motherfucking police, girl. Bitch, I ain't got no watch, no nothing. Bitch, I'm good. All day, every day. And a bitch trying to take me to jail for what you bitch. A bitch ain't gonna do a
Imagine being on the other end of that call.
I'm paying for my stuff. I'm paying for my stuff. Like, I'm paying for my stuff. I can go to Bible and just buy the same shit. I'm paying for my stuff. I'm paying for my stuff. I got 3 different transactions that there. 3. So I had to use 3 different cards. Like, bitch, I ain't trying to steal and that's all so bitch much stuff.
All right, guys. Guys, I'm sorry, man. I'm completely lost. There's even subtitles, and I don't know what the hell she's talking about.
I can't even understand the subtitles.
You guys gonna allow that?
Oh,
They need to be locked up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Trust me, she gets in that
Try
car.
to
She's
steal
driving.
over
She's gonna go.
$100-something worth of merchandise, man. Got in the guy's face and everything. And she's still going on. You guys gonna allow that?
Guys, give this guy a round of applause.
Give me a second.
If I was to do that, I've been locked up.
Listen, there's a First Amendment right, freedom of speech. Okay.
I think she's gonna go to jail. She's still on the property. Yeah. She's refusing to leave. Still here on the property, causing a disturbance. Still, come on. We told you to leave. You're still.
Oh, thank God.
It's time. It's about time, dude. Let's go.
Oh, you're still here.
No, I'm finna go. We waiting on my sister.
I'm sure she'll go quietly.
No, I'm finna go.
Out of the car.
No, my sister went in the
Out of the
stove.
car. We're gonna pull you out of this car. Out of the car, or I'm gonna pull you out of the
Oh,
car.
he's got the taser out. Please. Okay. To what? Okay. I'm not religious at all, but to whatever could possibly be out there, please let him tase this chick.
Get that Edison medicine.
In the chat, to whatever deity you pray to, drop a 1 so that they hear you, so this chick can get tased.
Let's go. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm finna go.
Let's go. Get out.
Come on.
Get out of the car.
Come on.
Get out of the car.
Come
Let's
on.
go.
We're way past that.
Let's go.
No, we finna go.
Uh-huh.
Hold on, Chantel.
I grabbed her phone.
Hold on, Chantel. Hold on, Chantel.
Chantel.
No, I need my phone.
Oh my God.
Can I have my phone?
Resisting. You keep resisting, and you're done.
No, let me get my wallet.
I'm not gonna get anything.
Let me get my wallet.
I got it.
No, somebody get my wallet. Get my. No, you finna break. You done broke my nails.
I don't care about your nails or any of that. We told you to leave.
Look how long these nails are. Look at that.
Nope. We are done with that. Let's go. Let's go. We are past that. We told you to leave. You're still on the property, yelling and screaming, causing a big scene. Nope. For no reason.
My sister went in
Oh,
the phone.
we're done. Sorry.
Get my wallet. Get my purse.
Let's go. Have a seat. Have a seat, please.
I'm finna go.
Have a seat. Have a seat, or I'll sit you down. Have a seat. Have a seat, because we're done playing games. Let's go. Sit down.
Finna go.
Sit down. Or I'm
finna go.
Sit down. Sit down.
They don't move, bitch.
Let's go. Sit down. Sit in there.
I hate them bitch.
Let's go. Sit down. Thank you. It's up. You want to keep her stuff or no? Okay. We're past that because she still refused to leave. We told her walk and leave, get in the car and leave, and you're sitting out here causing a disturbance. I'm done playing games with her, okay? So she's gonna be arrested for trespassing from Winn-Dixie, okay? Have a good day.
Look at that, guys. They're not playing.
Can I have my shoe? Bitch, you wanted them.
Guys, I gotta clip that, dude. I gotta clip
thing.
that. Look at that.
Sure thing, Cinderella.
Take me to jail. Y'all been wanting to motherfucker take me to jail with that old flower ass shit. That was all bitches wanting to do. Flower ass shit. Give me my shoe.
I'm not worried about your shoe.
I want my motherfucking shoe.
I don't care what you
I don't give a bitch. Give me my motherfucking shoe. Follow me. Give me my shoe. Give me my shoe. That was all bitches want to do. Take me to motherfucking jail.
Okay.
And,
Got a real big hand.
and fuck. And I don't have no motherfucking wife. No nothing, bitch. I get no out in the morning. And I'm going to work tomorrow. Y'all.
Forget about the job.
Take this shit the fuck out my motherfucking leg. So, wrong with y'all? Bitch, I'm finna leave. I can't stop my sister from going in the stove. No, wrong with y'all? Bitches, give me my motherfucking shoe so I get no away from y'all.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get out in the morning.
Obviously, this is not her first rodeo, guys.
In the morning, bitch. Trespassing?
Wow.
Oh, that's nothing. Bitch, I know the law. Bitch, my godmama is a embarrassed one. Bitch, I know the law. You need to ride motherfucking faster because I need my mother too, and I got the kids. Come on,
That is a massive forehead she has.
Yes, he does. Like the size of a batting ram.
Seriously,
Get
man.
me the fuck up out this ass shit. I hate you bitches. I hate y'all.
Tell you, her forehead's so big.
She looks like
she doesn't have dreams. She has full-length films, man.
she looks like Lou Gossett Jr. in Enemy Mine.
I know, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a good movie, man.
So my sister went in the house though. I can't motherfucker make her hurry up, and she went in the house though. The fuck wrong with you, bitch?
Look at that.
The suspect was charged with trespass.
Look at this mugshot. Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that.
And resisting arrest, both misdemeanors. She pleaded guilty and was given a deferred sentence. All she had to do was pay court costs. However, she failed to do this.
Of course.
And as a result, her license will be suspended.
Dumbass.
Consider subscribing to Crime Scene.
All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. I don't think I've done this one. This was one of the very first body cam things I ever watched. So I don't think we've done this one yet. Hold on. Yeah.
So this should be a lot of fun.
Look at.
Down a notch, please. Please. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help. All right. Can you just
Welcome. I told you guys that all these chicks.
And I'm just trying to tell you that I have mental health issues. I'm extremely distraught. I feel like my whole life is ending.
Right there, guys, right there.
In today's and her at the top of her lungs. Before we get into that out of the way, let's.
What's going on?
What do you even hear you?
Who did?
My fucking girlfriend.
Who here?
This is my mother.
Oh, your mother?
I tried to slam her head against the day. My brother that just left us here.
Just okay.
Chill, bro.
No, just.
I'm a sober person. I just had heart surgery.
Okay. Who?
She ran off that way somewhere.
You should probably calm down there, dude.
Exactly. He's not making any sense.
Surgery, and he's screaming and yelling, guys.
Fucking screaming at the top of her lungs while.
Oh, where does she live?
She lives last in Lyria.
Okay, so
She came here for my mom's birthday.
But she's just walking down the.
Yeah, she's screaming. You don't hear her? Little boy.
I think
beating her up, fucking her up. Don't be trying to slam my mom's head drunk.
I think I hear her. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, what's up?
She popped my glass.
Oh, I gotcha. All right.
I want to charge. She's supposed to go tomorrow morning for epilepsy for her week study.
Okay.
And she fucking has to go to neurologist at 12 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Well, my brother said, come out.
So is she over there?
Yeah, I told her to call the cops.
All right.
Get her in the car to take her fucking home. And she was
Guys, where? Oh, this is Cleveland. Look at this video. It's from Cleveland. Okay, do you guys know who Stipe Miocic is?
Yeah, the UFC fighter.
Yeah, have you ever noticed how he just like doesn't speak English when he in his interviews? Like he's from Cleveland and he's actually when he talks. That's who this guy sounds like. Because Stipe is from Cleveland originally. You know what I'm saying? Like his family immigrated from Croatia, but he was born in Cleveland. So if you listen to Stipe talk, that's how this guy sounds.
Speak with him real fast. I'll be right back with you.
The Cleveland thing.
All right, so I guess like it's his girlfriend that like punched him in the face or something. Like she's over there just erratically moving around by the gas station. I'm gonna go over there real fast. Should I bring her back over here? They're just fighting. Yeah.
So at this point, it's a he said, she said type of situation.
I'll be over.
All right, here we go. Jesus,
already good.
Jesus Christ!
I figure that.
Listen to this chick.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, relax. Bring it down. Bring it down a notch, please. Please. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you. Can you here sit down? I can see. I can see. Ma'am.
No, I'm just emotional. Why don't you just
Just turn me away like I'm a fucking piece of shit. Ma'am, can you just sit down for me?
Yes!
Do you want medical to come out and check you out?
Yes, and
All right.
please, I'm epileptic.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because this little motherfucker's gonna help me, and then this fucking
Stay down.
motherfucker
Stay down.
with the fucking.
All right. Can you just?
Was she
There
Mrs.
must be
Maurice
trust
Boland?
abuse.
Push me away like I'm a piece of shit.
Oh, he's putting
Gloves
on the
on.
gloves, guys.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
I'm epileptic. I'm trying to tell my boyfriend, and you're gonna push me like, why are you doing this?
Can you not?
Dude, she sounds like Chris Farley, right? Doesn't she? Why are you doing this? I live in a van down by the river.
Can you not? You got gloves? Yeah.
I got a piece of poison. Why are you doing this?
All right, just for now. Just for now.
Dude, she looks like him too. Look.
Yeah.
Look on Chris.
He looks better now today than she does.
Look. Hold on.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Look at that, right? Look at that. Look at that, man. Dude, R.I.P. to Chris Farley, dude.
Just for now. Just for now. Put your hands behind your back for now.
I'm not even fighting you. Why are you guys doing this? I'm just telling you because of the stupid motherfucker in the back.
There you go.
I will never understand people that request the services of the cops. They say, okay.
Yeah, and then they're like, why are you doing this to me?
Okay, you
I
might
haven't pat her down yet. Oh, there's
like the aggressor.
get in there. Okay, you
I
might
haven't pat her down yet. Oh, there's
When I have to be at the hospital tomorrow noon, Cleveland Plastic, for EEG sleep study for my epilepsy.
Please.
For her epilepsy.
Stop yelling.
Fuck you, stupid motherfucker.
Thank God.
Whose is this? Everyone all right? Good?
Look at how cold it looks, man. This is in Cleveland. Yikes.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't look like it. Oh, my God, dude.
That's going to be a long car ride back to the station.
She can't pay child support because of her
Turn around.
epilepsy either, I'm sure.
Well, I mean, if you see it's very.
Yeah. God, dude.
Sorry?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, right, man. Thank you. Oh my God! Hey! What are you doing?
Listen to me.
You're gonna get a ticket.
What are you listen to me?
What are you doing?
Listen to me.
You're gonna get a ticket.
None of you guys are listening to me. You're ignoring me.
We have a.
Then why are you ignoring me?
Fatal attraction.
And I want my medication and I want my croutons, please.
Look how you're acting.
Why are you listening to me?
Look how you're acting.
Because you guys are listening to me.
Just talk to
You
us.
guys treated me like a drug addict. I was just
Drug addict.
One more blood alcohol, blood
One more
blood
test, okay?
blood alcohol content and some more stupid shit. And I'm just trying to tell you that I have mental health issues.
listening to me.
All right.
I just want somebody to listen.
We are listening to you, but you have to understand.
My boyfriend just booted me out of the car and left me on the street. You guys don't even understand.
You're swinging around a gas thing, and then you're kicking my window out.
Because the owner was gonna call you guys for me, and then this fucking guy.
So obviously she wants the officers to listen to her story. So just like any
Look at this graphic.
That is real interesting. Complaint, you're not allowed to. I will call the police. No, please.
make
I'm
it
innocent.
trouble.
Yeah,
No,
I'm sorry.
please, I'm innocent.
Functioning, well-adjusted Karen, she does the only reasonable thing there is to do. She tries to break their window by kicking it. That is a
Just step out with me real quick.
And then he just
Let's
acted like he was cooler than me.
step out with me.
And then wouldn't even listen to me and left me acting like he was
All right, we're gonna go in this car over here.
nothing.
We're gonna talk over.
We're
We're gonna talk over in here. All
I
right.
just want to talk to
Do you have any weapons on you?
Of course I don't.
Okay, we have to ask. You know.
My boyfriend just booted me out.
All right.
Have a seat. And I go
Where's her purse at?
Have a seat.
What a mess.
Hey, did you pick her purse up?
Yeah, it's on the
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
Wear her gloves. Don't.
Oh my god, dude.
What happened? Oh, they got gas?
Blood on the car. Yeah. She's gonna start kicking again.
There's a cage in there or something.
All right, yeah.
There's a cage in there, so it's all good.
God. 4810 right here.
Are they covered in gas or something?
We do have female detained in the rear of our vehicle.
Okay, so what do we got?
Well,
so that's it for the video shit to happen. Anyways, thanks.
All right, guys. Now here we go. Let's check this one out. Hold on. This is the wrong one. Hold on. History. Look at these two knuckleheads right here.
You're drunk on the side of the road with a car that's disabled, so I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
My car is abled.
Oh, my car is abled.
Did I not pass the test?
No.
That's really crazy.
Detrimental faculties are impaired.
I felt like I passed everything.
I mean, she needs to stop right now. Stop. Get on the ground. Sit on the ground. Sit on the
Yeah, here we go.
Sit on the
Now,
ground.
this is the preview.
Have a seat.
Oh, okay.
In Florida, officers were dispatched to a
Of course, it's in Florida.
disabled vehicle causing a roadblock.
I smell the drunk. I'm not, honestly. Oh, guys, make sure to drop a like on the stream. I'd appreciate that, guys. And man, oh man, it's so much fun that I can sit here on these evenings and how all of us have fun, man. I appreciate you guys' support. I really, really, really do, guys. So just a preview. I'm dropping a video tonight about. Did you guys know that there's no such thing as child support in Japan? Japan does not love those single moms, dude. Yeah. There's no child support, and there's no government support for single moms. So that's why less than 2.3% of children are born out of wedlock in Japan.
Wow. Yeah.
Right?
I believe that.
They are saying that the single motherhood rate has gone up a little bit, and they're saying, I think that there's the reasons why women become single moms in Japan are the traditional reasons. The husband either leaves or dies or whatever, right? But there's increasing people are waiting until longer to get married and have kids, which means men don't live as long. So if you're a single mom in Japan, they're not set up for it. And here's another thing. Men don't simp in Japan like that en masse. A man is not going to marry a single mom in Japan. They're pariahs, straight up. Steve, what's up, man? So yeah, so single moms We're screwed. And guys, I wish it was that way here, because the only reason why these single moms can be single moms is because our taxpayer dollars allow them to be.
Hey. Okay. Just so you know, I'm hot.
Okay.
But
and I'm not. I didn't see her behind the wheel.
Okay.
And I don't know if her friend saw her behind the wheel or not. But
Okay.
this oil slick goes all the way back through that intersection.
Oh, I smell it.
And I haven't gone all the way down there. I haven't gone through the intersection to see what part of the median she hit. But there's oil on the ground under the car. There's oil all the way through. All 4 of her tires are popped. All of her rims are bent.
Dang, you guys hear that? All 4 tires are popped. All 4 rims are bent. There's oil leaking from the bottom of the car. Dang, look at that.
Probably hit
Crash or
the
something.
median.
Okay. When you pulled up, she was just sitting on the curb like that.
The 2 females were standing next to the car, and there was a male that had also stopped. He's gone.
So they were standing next to the car.
Her car is disabled. I can't even push it out of the way. And then
But they were standing on the driver's side.
They were standing by the hood of her vehicle.
All right. They wanted to know if we needed to. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that oil. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I see it.
And guys, this sheriff deputy, give him a round of applause because he called a female officer to deal with these 2 knuckleheads.
Yeah, but isn't that the typical way a female maintains her vehicle?
Facts, dude. That's true. That's true. Guys, I know a woman that's a little bit younger than me that had just never changed her oil in her car. She bought it brand new and drove it for years. Never changed the oil. I know a friend of mine. He met his wife in 2018. They got married in 2020. She had like a 2018 Accord. So he's like, "Hey, I gotta drive your car to work." He started up, it's like, so being all weird. So he's like, "Hey, yo, when did you change the oil in this thing?" She's like, "What are you talking about?" She'd never changed the oil in the car. This girl that I knew, guys, she and her sister couldn't get the oil cap off because I had to go get a big set of pliers to yank the oil cap off. My guys, there is no oil in this thing.
Just her AC leaking. Her AC compressor.
Okay. Whose car is that?
I definitely know.
What?
Excuse me?
I don't know whose car that is.
No, she is drunk, dude.
That car?
No, that car.
I'm not talking about this car. I'm talking about this car.
This is her car. Either way, we don't know whose car that is.
Okay.
This is her car. This is her car. That's
Okay.
not my car, Katie.
That's not your
Why are you snitching, Katie? Why are you snitching?
car right there?
No, it isn't.
The one right there.
No, the one right there is not my car. Physically.
I'm talking about this car. I'm talking about this car.
That is my car. Okay.
I've been talking about this car the whole entire time.
Okay, great.
What a
So what's going on?
Yeah, what's going on?
You're drunk on the side of the road with a car that's disabled.
Yo,
So
this female cop has had it already, dude. Straight up. I'm telling you, I would love to even though I don't think the sisterhood thing that they could actually admit to what they see. You know what I'm saying? But I wish that you could get a female officer just drunk off Patron and just have her just go off about these 304s. You know what I'm saying? And have her hear all the stories, especially Miami cops, where they see all these drunk 304s. You know what I'm saying? And just go off about how just dumb these chicks are.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
My car is abled, actually.
What does abled mean?
It can drive.
Okay. This is what I want to do because this is going to cause an accident in itself. Can we get off the median? Okay, we're going to go over here.
I'm not driven off the road. I'm driving crazy. Like, Jesus Christ.
Okay.
How does someone
I
get
don't need
that
an attitude.
drunk?
Okay, I'm just trying to figure out what's going
Why
on.
would you like us to go?
I just want to.
Be careful.
Hold on. We're just going to go across the street so we're not in the middle. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Well, I don't want you to get hit.
Are you sure?
Are you hearing this, you guys? Are you hearing this?
Listen. Listen. Just take it down a notch, okay? I'm here because that vehicle is disabled, okay? You clearly hit something, okay? And I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Okay.
Now, she obviously called this friend later on, right? And here's the thing, guys. Drop a 1 in the chat if you ever hung out with. Wait, I don't know. Do you guys think this is her friend or her sister? Because I think this is her friend, and they're both kind of goofy looking to me. But this friend thinks that she's the ugly one, right? Because you guys know that there's always the girl that has an ugly friend. That she hangs out with to make herself look better. So this chick is bigger. She has these linebacker shoulders. So she hangs out with this girl to try and make herself feel better about herself. And this girl hangs out with this girl because she knows that compared to her, she's pretty. And then when this girl on the left is not around, this girl on the right shits all over her. You know what I'm saying?
So is this your vehicle?
Yeah, that's my car.
Okay. Do you have your license on you or is it in the car?
It should be in the car. It's not on me.
Okay. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
I have the license registration, yes.
That's your car though?
Yeah.
You're the registered owner? Do you know what happened? Can you tell me what happened?
No, there is no license to that car.
I don't know what that means. I'm trying to figure out what happened. What do you know what happened?
She doesn't know what happened.
Okay.
There's nothing
So
happened to
did
that
she
car.
call you and you came? Okay. So when you got here, where was she?
She was right here.
She was in the car?
And I put my hazard lights on to try and stop anybody from
Thank you. Appreciate it.
her and trying to get that stuff.
Okay. All right. Are you hurt at all?
She's okay.
Do you need medical? Okay.
What is going on with these two?
I'll be right back. Yeah. I mean,
Could be
you can
together.
smell it. All right. They're going to go look and see what kind of damage there is. Okay. Are you doing okay?
Am I doing damage? I didn't do anything. I was drinking a beer. Why can't I drink a beer? Please leave me alone, huh?
Really?
Please leave me alone. Can you go sit on my car, please?
Yeah.
Come over to my
I'm going to
car.
need you to sit down.
Hey, oh, God forbid it's out the car. Okay. Yeah, let's go to Keely's car.
No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. She's staying here. She's staying with
Right
me.
now I'm staying here.
Jesus.
Just have a seat.
What is her
Have a
problem?
seat.
I would love to.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So
this bullshit. Like, I've been in this like race, whatever the fuck. I've been beaten. Like, I've got like you. I've been Craig Edelman's daughter. I've been her stepdaughter. I've been her fucking everything. Like, fuck you.
your friend's here trying to help you. Why are you,
You know,
being
it's
like
not
that?
about Craig Edelman's whatever the fuck.
What
You
did
don't
she
even know who that is.
I don't
That's
even know what
great.
you're talking about.
I love that for you.
Nobody
I
does.
really do. Don't feed into it. You know what? Fuck you, Kaylee. You know what? For real?
Dude, now she's saying that's her friend. Look at that.
No, you're not asking me. No, it's called garlic croutons. And they're right there on this list.
No, 100%.
Yeah, Kaylee, you're not hot enough to hang out with me.
You know who the fuck, like, the sheriff's office is? So you know what? Just leave me alone.
Facts. Here's that gamer. Yep. That's true. It said she's
Yeah.
always there when this knucklehead gets in trouble.
Yeah.
You know what? Leave me alone. Because I know what the fuck it is with the sheriff's office. I know what the fuck it is with everything else. So please leave me alone. I'm not going to. That sucks for you because I know what everything is. Besides, I could have left you, so yeah, you could have, but you didn't. But it sucks for you. What does that mean? Nothing, honestly. It means nothing. You're in there.
Do you have your license on yet at all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Why are you
All right.
still
I'm
there?
just gonna talk to you for a minute. I know this is your friend and everything.
Yeah, but it's bad news.
Would you be willing to give me a statement saying that you saw her behind the wheel? I know that's putting you in a difficult situation. But
do that to her.
Look at that. There you go. The sisterhood is strong, guys. I'm telling you guys, this is why chicks always get away with stuff. It's the sisterhood, strong, independent.
I am woman, hear me roar, in numbers too big to ignore.
Foolishness, man. Look at that.
okay. It's just she could have
I know.
she could have really hurt someone. And I don't know how often she does this, but and the way that she's acting towards you, that's not fair.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
No, you don't have to apologize to me.
It's not fair.
I mean, you
I
don't
don't know
you
what
don't
to
even
do.
well, you don't even have to do anything written.
This is even worse.
What's this Gomer
Who the hell
doing?
is this guy? Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, hello, ladies. He walks over like freaking Val Venus. You guys remember him?
Val Venus.
Val
Yeah, the
Venus.
wrestler. Yeah.
WWE. You guys remember him, dude? He used to come out in that towel. Val Venus, dude. Look at that. And then he started losing his hair. He tried to come out bald. Nah, it's not happening, dude. Dude, you guys know he was out for a long time because he was doing tricep pull downs on the cable snap, and hit him in the eye. So he was out for a long time. Look at this doofus. Oh, look, a lady crying.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
exactly.
go over there.
She's crying. He's over. Hey, what's happening, lady?
Hey.
That's my cue.
I just want to give you a really big hug, but I can't. I know, it's alright.
He's like, hug? Really? what a doofus.
I mean, if you just want to verbally tell me.
I can't.
I mean, you already told me once I got here.
I was just trying to protect her.
Oh, you can't protect knuckleheads from themselves. Okay? It's not happening. It's not. Guys, you cannot have people like this around you. You just can't.
Yeah, well, she is also she's also a grown adult.
I don't know what to do. I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize.
I just don't know what to do. Because I'm wrong either way.
Well, I'll give you a minute. Okay.
Let's get behind, guys.
Damage at.
That's right.
Where's the damage at?
It's right here,
Some
girl.
minor grass, but that's about it.
If she starts pole dancing,
So
I'm gonna
the
laugh.
middle lane ends, and then the median starts.
Yeah.
She smashed the median head on, ripped off her oil pan, went through the grass. Like I said, tore the grass up a little bit. It's really not a whole lot. And basically just drove, went back up on the median again. Same kind of concept, just tore the grass up a little bit, and then finished here. But didn't hit any signs. No property damage that I could see besides just a little bit of grass. Okay. The curb is what did all the damage.
While the car crash investigation was being conducted, the woman stood up and started walking away from the
don't
scene.
do that.
Hey,
Don't do that.
she needs to stop right now.
Oh yeah.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground. Have a seat.
She just goes and just plops on the ground. Look at her.
What do you want?
Stop. Because you're running away.
For what reason?
You were involved in an accident, and we're still doing an investigation, and you're walking the opposite
What accident?
direction.
Dude, guys, what do you think she's drunk off of, man? Straight up, she has to be off that Patron or something, because how do you get this trashed?
Now, you want to block me from now?
The guys have been buying her drinks all night.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's relax and sit down. You know what?
We were asking you to sit there the whole entire time.
Oh,
Okay, so
the whole
this is what's happening.
Listen to her.
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude.
That's what she sounds like.
Okay,
You know
so
what? Y'all are a bunch of fucking bullshitters, bro.
you have to do a crash
Correct.
report. Okay.
Yeah, I get you.
So you done with your crash investigation?
I'm good.
Are you?
I'm solid.
Okay. Well, I'm
You
going to
can
move
have a
into
whole
my
solid
DUI.
investigation
You know
because
what?
you have your whole course
Yes.
investigation. I'm so glad for you. What, bitch? What?
Okay. So he did the crash investigation, and now I'm moving into a DUI investigation.
She doesn't care.
Okay.
Just take her to jail.
For you.
Okay. Well, I just got to read you something, okay? You to have a seat. Do any questions and to have him with you during
great.
questioning.
Sit down.
Have a seat.
I don't have to stand up for this.
Yes, we're asking you to have a seat.
I'm glad that you're asking me, but like,
Have a seat.
What a
What don't you
mess.
understand?
I don't want to see.
Stop. Seriously, stop. I don't know why you're making this so difficult.
Hope you're happy.
Okay, now have a seat, please. Have a seat.
We'll help lower you down. Start to clean down. There you go.
Y'all are some bitches, bro.
Okay.
Where's that bro
If you
in the
cannot
vest?
afford a lawyer, one will be
Yeah,
appointed
right?
for you.
Hey,
before we ask
remember
you
last
any
time you were
questions.
handcuffed like that?
Hey, deja vu.
If you wish.
Hey,
You decide to
I
answer
don't
it?
care about this stuff. Yeah, all her tires are popped. Look at that. Sorry about those lights, guys.
Nothing on you that's going to poke sticks at me? Will you agree to a breathalyzer? Okay. All right, let's go this way. Is there anything out of your car we're going to need?
No, I said not me.
Have a seat. Watch your head. Oh, be careful. I'm going to check her car real quick.
Yep.
Just want to stand by.
Yep.
Thank you. Yep.
Was her window taped up?
Gulf one to Melbourne.
That's her, guys. She's toast. Look at that.
Stamp 1015 for signal 1.
Guys, is that a beer bong in her car, dude? Look! 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 Look at that!
Oh wow!
Yo, that's a beer bong in her car, man. Look at that.
She must have been drinking that while she was driving.
Yo, dude, she had to open the sunroof for that. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I forgot about beer bonging. Guys, we used to get so trashed using beer bongs. It was terrible. Look at that. Is that an open container? Ah, it's a White Claw!
White Claw.
Patrolling like they gonna catch me riding dirty. Gotta catch me riding dirty. She got White Claws in the car. Oh, look at that!
Still has alcohol in it.
Look at that.
The woman received multiple citations, including driving under the influence and 3 counts of resisting an officer without violence.
Look at that. Guys, I think we have time to do one more. Let's see. You guys are going to probably see this one on the second channel because this chick is a mess. Guys, this is from real body cams, guys. Let's just check this out.
Damn, I don't care. Are you gonna shoot me?
Her keys aren't in there. Okay.
My keys are not in there. Are you gonna shoot me? You wanna follow?
You're not gonna drive.
I'm not drunk at all.
Okay.
You wanna follow me home? I just wanna ask. Get away from me! Okay, get away.
Oh boy.
On June 17th, 2023, officers in Ohio were called to a bar's parking lot.
Always Ohio. I didn't realize that Ohio was freaking Thunderdome too, man.
Ohio and Florida.
Woman attempting to drive home intoxicated.
Ohio, Florida.
Stop screaming.
And tell him to give me my phone. You know who the I am. We have dealt with this shit.
On arrival, the suspect began screaming and cursing at the officers.
Huh?
Give me my phone.
Stop screaming, ma'am.
Okay, well, tell him to stop with me. Leave me alone. I hear your dog. I know who the you are.
Okay, well,
trust me.
Who am I then?
Then I've dealt with you and your partner when you
So
dealt
stop
with.
screaming right
Okay, then tell him to leave me the alone.
I will talk to him in just a minute, but you.
God.
Who is
Okay,
this
you can
guy?
hold the door open. That's fine.
Where's your ID at?
Right here.
Because this is about to go where you're going to end up going to jail.
No,
Again.
because I don't want to go to
Because
jail.
you're being disorderly.
I'm not, because he's literally screaming at
He's gonna
me.
walk
I
away.
literally have seen you.
Am I screaming at you?
No, you're not. And I'm
Okay,
sorry,
then
but
stop.
you have literally have seen me, and you're like, you have dealt with
We've
this
been
shit.
sitting over there listening to you scream.
I
Listen to
understand
me
that.
first.
You have dealt with
You
me
listen to me.
at. You have dealt with me at.
Well, these people over here are complaining.
Them. I don't care.
Okay, let's see your ID.
Chris Mike's in the house. What's up, man?
Like, I don't care. Get your dog on me. I don't care. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Disorderly.
How much Dutch courage did these chicks get, man? You know what I'm saying? Like, this is crazy. Guys, a lot of guys don't act like this. Because we all know, guys. You know what I mean?
In a public place while you're intoxicated.
Well, I'm very sorry. I'm not trying to be disorderly conduct out of all that.
So I want you to stop so we don't have to arrest
On myself.
you. You're not going to drive.
So who's gonna drive me? Who's
I don't know.
telling
You
me
need to
that?
get an Uber.
Look at this look on her face. Look.
So who's gonna drive me?
I don't know. You
need
that.
to get an Uber or something like that.
I have my keys to this shit.
Do what?
I have my keys to this.
Okay, well, you're
You
drunk
wanna
and
follow?
you're not going to drive.
I'm not drunk. I don't.
No, you're not asking me. No, it's called garlic croutons. Yeah, and they're right there on the
Dude, all these drunk chicks sound just like the croutons girl, man.
Okay.
Do you want to follow me home?
No, I can smell the alcohol coming off.
Why don't you follow me home? We've already dealt with each other before. Just follow me home. It's not like that. It's not like that.
Okay, well, you're under the influence and we're not going to follow you home. You need to find a ride.
This cop is being perfectly reasonable. You know what I'm saying?
This is ridiculous, dude. Oh my god. Last time you literally told me about your stuff.
Sit right there and blunt
No, I'm getting out of the car. You told me to get out of the car.
Dude, man.
No, I said sit right there.
Chicks with bellies should not wear belly shirts, right?
Okay, then I'm gonna listen. Officer, I want to listen to you.
It's a good idea.
1000%. I'm gonna listen to you. Get your dog out so he can stop barking at me.
Yeah, you don't want to.
You came to my apartment before. When I literally said, I was like, you guys are calling over some bullshit, and you said, oh, we're calling over the incident that happened at apartment 1. I was like, yes, over apartment 1 because they wanted to bullshit my ass over all this shit. That was 2 years ago, bro. Really done everything to get.
Oh, and this cop hasn't probably had thousands of encounters with thousands of citizens since then. He remembers who you are, right?
You out of like getting over your shit. This is hilarious. No, I'm gonna get my phone. I'm trying to get my phone.
You just about fell into me.
No, I didn't. I'm gonna get my phone.
Okay.
Is that okay? Or are you gonna shoot me?
Please.
Are you gonna shoot me?
Your keys aren't in there. Okay.
My keys are not in there. Are you gonna shoot me when I get my phone out of that shit?
Put your hand behind your back.
It's about time.
Let's go.
Back for what?
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
Before-
Persistent.
For disorderly conduct because I literally said that I was.
Because I told you to shut up 100 times.
And I was fine.
How do you want to do this? You want to go to jail or you want to get a ticket?
The entire time. I was fine the entire time, and you want to put me behind when you literally tried to arrest me.
God, listen to this chick. God.
You tried to
You're under
arrest
arrest
me.
right now.
Arrest me then. Arrest
You are
me.
under arrest.
Arrest me. Please arrest me.
Stand by with 21.
Call 911.
And
Call.
who is this simp right here?
Here I come to save the day.
Who are you, dude? Who are you? Please.
He's begging.
God, come on, man.
3. No, you have the right to call 1-3. Call my grandma. 1-3. 1-3. 1-3. Close my door right now. Close my door right. Close my
You need to pay attention to us, okay? You're walking over here and getting
Close my door. Close my door.
Don't touch the car.
Close my door.
Don't touch it.
1-3. Hey.
Have a seat in there.
What a
Have a
mess.
No.
You're getting in there either way.
You get a charge of resisting arrest. Get in the car.
There was another grown man in skinny jeans.
Yeah, that's it.
Get in the If you get in the car, you can tell him.
Stay over there. Okay.
Put your
We'll
feet
talk
in.
to you in a second. Just hang out up there.
1-3.
Put your feet in.
Watch your knees.
No, not until I know
Put
when
your
I
feet
can
in.
get. Not until I know when I can get my shit done.
Put your feet in.
I don't care.
Put your feet in.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And I want my medication, and I want my croutons, please.
Croutons. I love it. That never gets old.
Take her to my house.
Who the hell is
I got
this?
her keys.
Her granddad.
Because she'll be right back.
Oh,
over
great.
No, I'll make sure she stays in my house.
Please.
Look like the Gorton's fisherman.
Except somebody in her house or she goes to jail.
I'm serious. I'll make sure she goes to my house and not leave.
We're not releasing her right here.
The suspect's
he's her
friend told
grandfather. Hope
officers
he's
he
not
had
just
taken the
some
suspect's
rando.
car keys to prevent her from driving home drunk.
Yeah, I'll take her home with me.
Unlock it so we can get her purse for her. That's a good idea you had. That saved her from getting a DUI. That's
why I wouldn't give him to her.
Well, that's a good move, brother. Unlock it.
So that's her friend, huh? Okay.
So I can get her purse.
It's unlocked.
You're clear.
Shut up. Shut up.
Hey, don't knock on the door, man.
All right.
You can stand there and talk to her, but we're wanting to see. Who? She don't sound like they're getting along too well right now.
You can release her to me. She can get a mile.
We are not releasing her to you to take over there and walk back over here and have the same problem again.
Oh, we're not going to. Hey, I've been here for 42 years. I'm pretty well known in this place, and she knows me.
Guys, there's so much going on. I got no idea what the hell is going on. Who is Popeye the Sailor Man over here? Who is Mega Simp over here? Why are they dressed like they're in the Marines? Like, what is going on with this video? This has to be one of the craziest things. I can't keep track of what's going on.
No.
If you don't calm down, you're going to jail.
Hey, I did that, but let me out so I can breathe.
You're not getting out until we're done.
Breathe.
Okay, well, shut up and we'll roll the window down.
Okay, well then let me roll the windows down. I can't breathe,
Roll the
bro.
Yes, that is, man. That's my sister.
And now
Who is this guy?
Who the hell is this now? Unbelievable, man. The Three Stooges. What's going on here?
Larry, Moe, Dumber, right?
Simper.
Simperoo, right? What is going on, guys? Isn't it funny? All these men are concentrating their effort on one 304. This is how society is right now.
Unbelievable.
Destiny.
Listen to me. You can't breathe. You're having a panic attack. If you don't chill, though.
Wait, is this a fourth guy or is this the other guy that just came from around?
Oh, you got to be kidding me.
I've lost track.
They're gonna let you go.
Can't get me out, dude. I'm gonna freak out.
If you don't calm down, they're gonna take you to jail.
I don't care.
Destiny. Destiny.
Her name is Destiny. Of course it is. Now coming to the stage, Destiny.
If you just calm down for 5 minutes, they are gonna let you go. They just said they would let you go. What's his name?
They're not letting her go.
They're gonna let you go.
Let me
They're gonna let you out.
All
Tell
you
them
guys
sorry
need to
for
walk
freaking
away.
out, scream.
Knucklehead. Walk away. She has super anxiety. Please.
Guys, quit yelling. Let us talk. Go over there.
I'm not yelling.
Here's what's getting ready to happen. You
Hey,
listen.
Gramps is about to get friggin'.
I hope so. All three of them.
You know what I mean?
Get me out.
That's not the way it's going to happen.
I'm not asking that, but please, dude, for the love of God.
You're going
I
to sit
can't
there
deal
and he's
with
going to
this
write
shit.
you a criminal
I
summons.
don't care.
Okay.
Please get me the out. I don't care. Just get me out of these handcuffs. I don't care what the he's doing to me. Get me out of these handcuffs. I can't deal with this.
Well, that's not going to happen now.
Okay. Please take me there. I don't care who me. Take me there now.
I was about to take her to 1029. That's my grandmother's house. That's where she lives. She called me and said they were going to ride out here. She don't want to drive.
This is ridiculous.
I don't know where my keys. Someone here has my keys.
No, someone has your keys and they won't give them to me.
That's my car. It's like I need to leave right now. Please.
They're in my car. Someone's already took them from
Oh
me.
yeah, definitely. She's pregnant. One of these three knuckleheads is the father. They're gonna go on Maury and gonna be like, "Who is the father of Destiny's
Oh,
child?"
now wait a minute. Who's this chick?
Oh, great. They're coming out of the woodwork, huh? Like termites.
What is going on?
Get the away from me now. I just want to ask. Get away from me. Okay. Get away from me now.
Homegirl's got some cakes though.
Get away.
Guys, go up in front of the car, not right here where she's
No.
sitting.
I'm not stopping. Take me to my house. You take me to my goddamn house or take me to goddamn house.
Guys, okay, here. Do you guys remember that that single mom that had the 2 poof balls on her hair. She was wearing white, and they told her not to go back to the bar. And then she went back to the bar, and they took her down. Remember the
I
cop
remember that.
hit her with the Goldberg spear?
Right.
Cook with me, guys. Okay. I've noticed that in a lot of these Midwest videos, okay, in the black community, so where's the race card at? I gotta break it up. And Chris Mike can confirm this. In the black community, guys, a lot of light-skinned girls have a lot of problems, especially mixed race girls, because a lot of times they get teased for being mixed race. So anytime you go to any Hotep, pro-black spheres, there's always these light-skinned girls. I'm black and you black, but black, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Trying to be like hella black, right? Oftentimes there are places like Ohio, places in Washington State and Oregon or whatever. We have these mixed race chicks that were where their mom is white and their dad is black, but their mom got knocked up by Nug, right? So then they end up in some rural town in the Midwest, and they're like the only black girl or the only like girl there. So they don't fit in with the actual black people because they weren't raised. They were raised by a white mom. So they don't understand like culturally what it means to be black, but they're not white either because they're mixed. So they got all these types of issues because they have like daddy issues, identity issues, cultural problems. I mean, like lack of a culture, all this foolishness. You know what I'm saying? So this is why you see these places like Ohio, Utah, Idaho, all these places. You see these mixed chicks and they act out. It's just they don't belong anywhere. You know what I'm saying? So I knew a girl. She was half black and half Samoan, but she was like 5'2". She was a cute girl, but she was adopted by Mormons. So she was in the middle of Nowheresville, Utah, as a young, like light-skinned kind of black girl. She had all types of issues. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Take me to my house now.
I thought you were stepping for Obama there.
Yeah, but he was raised in Hawaii, right? So there is actually,
that's right.
You know, people. And the thing is, it's not like I said. It's only a race thing if you're out in the middle of nowhere and like 99% of that area is white. You know what I'm saying? Like if you grew up in like rural, Maine or something. That's it. You know, that's when it's tough being a person that's not
If we summons her and release her for PDC, she's gonna fight with somebody here in the parking lot, and then the guy that wants us released to her lives across the street from the bar, which she'll be right back here. She's just out of control, raging right now and screaming and screaming and screaming. I mean, she's really resisted arrest. She's lucky that the keys were not in the car. Somebody else had taken her keys from her.
Let me yell at her one.
They ain't doing it. No.
Luke, you are correct. If you're there's white and then there's everything else. There, like unlike South Africa, or the UK, where there's actually a racial category called mixed. Or if you're mixed race, you can. America, you're either white or you're black, or you're Asian or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So, an American blacks, we're the only group where if you're part black, we'll just take you. You know what I'm saying?
No. We're done. We're done.
Right,
go that way.
Hey, Grant,
go that way.
you better step off.
I got her calm down. I don't need somebody else trying to give her advice.
She'll listen to me.
Yeah, that's done work so good for now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Not really.
Let me talk.
Yeah, skinny jeans guy with his arms
Trying to
crossed.
talk to her before she
and his freaking Adidas with the tongues tucked. I mean, popping out. What are you doing, dude?
Look how he's standing.
That was a good idea. Whoever took the keys from her.
It's gonna be a long car ride to the station, there, buddy boy.
Before taking her home.
Oh, so they gave her disorderly and then dropped
The
her
suspect
out.
was charged with disorderly conduct. In court, the suspect pleaded guilty to disorderly conduct and was issued a fine of $100.
Dang, look at that. Look at that, guys. Man, oh man, oh man. Well, guys.
Yep.
I think it's time to shut this bad boy down. Ooh, I forgot about this other one. Abuse. Okay. So guys, Thursday is going to be 5 and 304s. If you haven't joined the Discord yet, guys, please join the Discord. I'm going to call this the new series, Raised by 304s.
Or you could call it How I Pimped Your Mother.
If you guys have a better title for body cam footage from all these effeminate dudes, let me know. Because, guys, I have a lot of those saved, but I don't have anywhere to put them. So, Angel Jameson, closing words.
Okay. Well, all I can say is, in a courtroom drama, I mean, if you guys are not careful, you might as well just go in a cave and become a hermit. And that's one. Number two, okay, AJ, here we go. If elected president, I promise that any and all simps, even if they're standing there ladylike with their arms folded, they will be required to go to what I would call a red pill class. And they're going to be there mandatory for 1 year to man up. And I mean man up. Mind your business. Keep your head down. Keep your nose clean. And do something with your life. Don't worry. Don't be rescuing anybody. Okay? Now, for all these 304s out there, I'm coming after you. You are going to be... if we find out you're a 304, I'm going to put you in the Isle of Lesbos, and you're going to be properly trained. Properly trained. So you could be a great benefit and a great lady to our society. Thank you.
You are scaring the hoes.
Oh, boy.
Jameson, any closing words?
Yeah, I would say if you're in court for not paying child support, give Kevin Sackrider a call. He'll get you out.
He'll fidget and jump and jive his way through your courtroom through your court date for you. Knucklehead, what a moron, man.
Yeah.
So, but all right, you guys, I'll catch you guys on Thursday. Check out the video dropping in about 15 minutes, guys, and I am out of here. Have a good one, guys. Take it easy.
All right.
Join the
All right.
Discord.
Have a good night, guys.